Good morning, everybody. Welcome to JTraedz TV, where we discuss all stock-related contents and much more. Yeah, give me a minute, guys. I'm trying to send it out to Instagram to let people know I'm on live right now, man. I hate when this thing does this, man. It just gets on my nerves, man. I'm trying to hurry and get everything posted. Hold up. Good Lord. I hate when this thing does this. Why does this thing just got a stupid, man? All right, there we go. Hopefully I got the right link up. All right. All right, there we go. All right, cool, got it. All right, guys. So right now, we did get a little. I did catch the gap fill up on Tesla this morning, guys. Caught the little gap up. Did sell my position, so went for a little swing trade this morning. Well, last night into this morning. Right now, the way that we got everything setting up right now, look underneath the 774 area. Remember that was the area that we pulled back from yesterday. Hit up this 774. Right now, acting as resistance, pull it right back down into this downtrend. So the market is still a little weak at this moment. The main ones that I did call out to a few traders this morning in Discord was to keep your eyes peeled on Meta this morning. Was Meta, PLTR, and Tesla. I like the setup that they do have. They have a lot of potential to go up on the upside. Um, so I will be trying to look for a possible, if I can, another possible swing trade, based off on how everything is setting up later on. I mean, right now we did get a little move up towards the 36, then we wound up pulling back down on Tesla back underneath 35. So I am expecting a little bit more of a deeper pullback. If we get to a little deeper pullback down to these bottoms again, I will look for possible another opportunity. Meta, guys, as I told you, loves to go on possible $15 to $20 runners. This morning, if you did catch the 595, I mean, you did push up as high as damn near 612. So it pretty much went on a $15, $17 run this morning. Now getting a nice little pullback down to the downside. But if you did catch those bottoms, you know, it's going in yesterday around the 9250-ish area into this morning, had a nice pushback to the upside. Tomorrow we will have some important data coming out tomorrow. We're gonna have the CPI data and the I think that should be it though. CPI data tomorrow. I think that should be it. As far as earnings today, guys, we do have CRWV and we have SMCI coming out today. Right now we do have a downtrend setup taking place with SPY still. We got rejected underneath the 74. The area that did mark off in yellow today is the 773.41. That's a pivotal area. Possible targets on the downside. I want to see, can we take out that 72.50 down to my next target, down to that 71.82. So I do have those potential targets on the downside. Do have those potential targets. So if you did catch the 74s on down, I mean, shout out to y'all. I mean, you pretty much caught almost $1.50 pullback on that one, because you did go from 74 to 73, so that's $1 down to the 72.50. That's $1. I mean, that's what, 150. So I mean, that is a good, nice put opportunity on that one. Good, nice put. Still pulling down down here, guys. I'm trying to see, can we hit this 72.50 level back down to these lows from this morning. If y'all see anything else, guys, do feel free to hit me up. Let me know. Let me double check to make sure that the chat box is working too. Let me double check that as well. Let's see. Let me test. Just making sure that everything is running fine. All right. Yep, everything's fine on YouTube. Guys, let me know if everything is good on Twitch as well. Yep, so everything's working as fine as the chat box goes. Everything is fine as the chat box. Right now, we still have Tesla. I mean, like I said, Tesla's still been in this uptrend. I mean, so is Microsoft, not Microsoft, Meta. Meta's still building a nice little uptrend to the upside. I will be getting the other team on. Miss B, good morning, my beautiful queen. I'm doing well, I ain't gonna say impossible, but it's gonna be a tough challenge because I did have a trader hit me up last night. You know, they were telling me their story, so man, I'm about to do a small. When I say a small account challenge, it's small. I mean, I already grew it because I did a swing trade overnight. But yeah, the amount that I'm dealing with right now, I can trade with, is very small, and the goal is to get over $1,000 plus. So yeah, I'm about to do an impossible mission right now. But that's to help them out. I mean, shout out to them for reaching out to me. So I'm about to do an impossible mission. An impossible mission right now. So let me show. What, is my thing still moving? Oh, I'm about to say I saw my position this morning. Okay, it's not moving anymore. I was about to say. Yeah, so I'm about to do a small. When I say a small account challenge, Miss B, a small account challenge. Like it's gonna be one of the hardest I ever had to do. And it was just to help them out. I mean, they was going through a lot. They told me their backstories of what they was going through. I was like, you know what? Let me just take this challenge, man, because I'm already up. But let me just do this and let me see if I can do it. You know, I'll take on this challenge and see if I can make it through it. If I tell you how much I started with, Miss B, you're gonna be like, what the hell? I don't even want to. I mean, I grew it overnight because I did a swing trade. Oh god. Okay. Damn, if I tell you how much I started this small account challenge with, y'all gonna be like, what the hell, Jay? Miss B, you wanna know? You wanna know how much I started with? And again, it's just to help this trade out. It's just to help this trader. But yeah, I took an impossible mission. Took on an impossible mission. I put it like this. I went lower than I normally do on my small account challenges. Like low. Low to the flow type stuff. I started very small. So that's why I got on a little late this morning too, guys, because I was helping them out this morning. It's a challenge. Alright, I'm gonna tell you how much I started with. Just to see if I can do it. I mean, okay, I'm training myself. I start off with $10. Right now I'm at 29. Oh, because that was due to a swing trade. So I'm gonna show you. So right now my pound power is right now at 29. So I start out with $10. I mean, I know. I mean, I had to help this person out, but let me show you. So right now I'm at 29. Let me go to my whatchamacallit. So from $10 right now I'm at 29. So you can see it right now I'm at 29 due to my trade I made this morning. So it's tough, but I'm gonna do it. So right now, guys, here's your target on the downside with SPY, guys, towards 72.50. I told you it was gonna be an impossible mission. I took on, but I mean, like I said, anything to help anybody, man. They believe in me. They reach out to me. I don't mind. I mean, I'll put in the work. So I need to put up because I want to put it up like a. Let me see. Cause like I said, right now y'all can see right here, guys. I mean, my sweeps. So like I said, I went from 10 to now 20, 29, almost $30 to trade with on this little small account. So, and that was due to a swing trade. I took in on Tesla yesterday on a swing trade last night. So I did get a gap up. I played it to the gap up this morning, right up towards 33, and I sold it. So I had a little. I mean, through grace God, I had a bounce on that. So if I could put like a little P&L thing somewhere, because I want to be as very transparent with you guys. So I'm trying to see how I can put like a little P&L thing right here to, so you guys can keep tabs on what I'm doing, and to see how much the profits is. Because I don't want to reveal like my account number. If I can do like a little thing where I can show like just the amount, I guess I'll have it set up. So all I'm doing is just slowly playing these positions, guys, going with a small, just like I said, just playing smart, because I have to. With a small account like this, I have to play smart. I had to be very strategic. All right, guys, there go your 72.50, 72.50. So again, I gotta play very smart, Miss B. The area, I mean, my true area, if we do crack this 72.50 is down, be the next key level down to 81.82. That'll be my next level down on that one. Because the bottoms isn't all the way down until underneath 70s to the 69.50s. But let's see if we get this pulled back down to this 71.82. I mean, right now, guys, as far as today's intraday, we got a downtrend set up. The market is weak right now. That's why after my trade on Tesla, I was expecting a little bit more downside to occur. So even with Tesla, I'm expecting a little bit more of a drop to happen. SPY, do expect us to crack this 72.50 down right towards my 70. That'll be my next level here. And then from there, bring you all the way back down to this demand zone, all the way back down to the 69s to 67s. So we cracked that. I do expect us to go right into this area back this way, and we're going for a harder drop on this. So if I can do some little trades in here, I'm just trying to get up to like 50. If I get up to 50, because my goal is to get to like 50 to 100, at least have a little bit more cushion on my end, a little bit more cushion. Because I gotta at least get like 50, at least I mean, because bruh, I didn't think I was gonna make $10. I ain't without blowing it up. That's why I said it was a hell of a little swing trade I did on that one. So I gotta play very strategically on this. I mean, if I would have caught this, I mean, I would have had to put almost up to $50 already on this shit. Excuse my language. So next level down is right towards that 72 to 71.82. That'd be your next level here. Tesla, I'm expecting us down underneath 32 to almost to 30. Back down to these like low areas back down this way. So with Miss B, I will be doing swing trades too. I will be practicing on swing trades too. So just to kind of speed it up a little bit, I will be trying to do a few swing trades on the side. It's gonna be one of the biggest, I mean, toughest challenge I ever had to do. To go this low. To go this low. But that's just to help a fella trade out, man, because just to show them. So. Yeah, so it's gonna be a little battle, but that's why I gotta, play my area smart. And like I said, for those who want to know which stocks I'm gonna be looking at with the small account, the ones that I have my eye on right now, of course, is SPY, Meta, and Tesla. Meta, I mean, right now we got a little bull flag pattern building. Trying to hold right here. So watching this 607. Now, where do I think Meta can go up to? I did, like I said, I went over it in my Discord. Now, how high do I think Meta can go up to? The areas I seen was like 629 to 630. How high do I think Tesla can go up to? Levels I had was 340 to 360. I mean, I know right now we're getting a little pullback on down, so a little bit of weakness. I mean, Meta's getting a little bounce. SPY, still think we still have room to still get this pullback down. Waiting to see can we get down to the 72 to 71.82 on this little pullback. Still on this downtrend, building down. All right, would it be the next area once we bounce back up? I'll give it about back up roughly almost to 73. So let's put a little line right here, guys. So let's take this old key area right here, right about where we bounced at, and let's see if that's gonna turn into resistance. So if they do get a little bounce back up, so I'll say between this area up to 73. I want to see if those sellers gonna trap the buyers here and then try to go for the next leg down on that one. Let's see. Let's see, cause I don't, you know me, when I go for puts, I don't go for puts at the bottoms. I wait for bounces back up. That's how I attack my puts. I mean, you never want to chase bottoms on puts, and you never want to chase tops on calls. Always, wait for the opportunities. Wait for the trade to come to you. Wait for the trades to come to you. Now, Miss B, I ain't gonna lie. You would have had a beautiful swing trade on Meta yesterday. You would have had a beautiful swing trade on Meta yesterday. Beautiful swing trade. Let me go to it. What's my hourly time frame? I'm gonna show you. Meta, yep, right here. So yesterday, Meta bottoms. See where they held up at yesterday? Right here, yesterday. So after we had this dump down yesterday, they held right around the 92.50, 92-ish area. You would have got in at these bottoms and held overnight from 92 all the way up to damn near 612. Look at that. So that's what I've been working on too, trying to perfect my my swing trading abilities too. And I mean, and I still like the way Meta is still setting up, because if you take a closer look, guys, even on the 1 hour time frame, you're still building an uptrend. If you take these bottoms from last week to where we at now, it's an uptrend. Look at this, still building, still building. Look at that, bounce, 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 bounce. Trend line still holding with a lot more room to push to the upside. Like, again, the areas that I seen on my daily was pretty much 629 to 630. So I mean, right now, I mean, look at today's setup. I mean, it's been bullish. Look at how strong these candles are, guys. These are hourly candles. So that means each hour is building up. Each hour is building up. So, I mean, look at the strength of that. Now, do I think it's overextended? Yes. I mean, yeah, we are definitely overextended. Now that we already made the move up, I mean, I'm definitely going to be anticipating some pullbacks. I mean, that's going to happen. We're going to get some pullbacks. But the overall setup is that we're still on an uptrend. Same thing with Tesla. Tesla is building. Like I said, to me, Meta and Tesla has a lot of potential. Now, if y'all want me to go into the deep dives on it, you gotta get into the LX Traders community for me to go into deep dives from this point. I can give y'all the price actions, but the deep breakdowns, gotta join the community. So right here, guys, after this bounce on SPY, let's see if this area gonna turn into resistance now. See if this gonna turn into a bull trap. Where they're gonna trap the buyers, and let's see if we go for that next leg down. Let's see right here after this bounce if those buyers gonna get trapped out, up a shadow for a possible reversal, right back down for the next leg. Meta, as I told y'all, up. Look right here. What I told y'all, Meta still got room. Look at that. We need to take out 615 if we want to get to that 620. But the overall target I've seen so far is 630. Got a nice little bull flag pattern building up on that. Bottom's held right here, right around this 607-ish level. Right back on up. Need to take out these high days right here. 612, 613 up towards that 615. Tesla, we're still getting that pullback down. I want those bottoms this way because I still think Tesla has potential too. So I want a deeper pullback down to some low key areas. Tesla, SPY, guys, there you go. Got rejected right around this area. Turned supported to resistance. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. Everything's working so far according to plan. Got that nice run up. Got that nice bull trap. Right here, turn support into resistance for that what? Possible next leg down, as I told you. So let me see what I can do, guys. I know I got a small account. God, it's going to be tough. It's going to be tough as crap. Oh, let me see what I can do, though. You know me, I don't run from challenges, though. Let's see. How can I play this? How can I play this? Yeah. Like I said, I'm going to have to play it smart and safe. I mean, I'm going to have to. Till my account gets bigger. I'm going to have to be safe. So let's see what I can do. All right. Did this contract didn't move a lot though on this one. What I got left? What I got? All right. I mean, scalping opportunities, yeah, but. So there go the next leg, guys. Here we go. Upper shadow, turning support to resistance. Working on that possible two-legged pullback down. Target areas I have right here. Next level down is going to be down towards that 72, down to that 71.82. That'll be your next target down this way. And if we crack that level, we got even lower towards the 70s, but all the way back down into this demand zone. All the way back down into this demand zone right here. But let's see what we get. Meta still doing this thing. Still holding up pretty decent. Still looking good on that one. Need to get a break above these highs. Again, the main thing that we need to get above is 615. We definitely want to get above 615. Hold this 610 level up to 615. That's a $5 move up. And then from that price point up towards 620, guys, that's like $10. That'll be a $10 runner. So imagine, like I said, from 610, 620, $10 up. Still got a nice build on it. Like I said, got a nice bull flag pattern setting up on it. So after this consolidated area, let's see, can we go for the next leg up? So we already know we need to break above this high here. And we want to continue our way up, 615, possibly up to the 620s. So I already got one alert, 615. And I'm going to make another one, add 620 if those bulls continue to keep pushing to the upside on Meta. All right. Just in case we get a nice strong push out of this consolidation for the next leg up, guys. Like I said, long as your targets, 615, 620 to see can we get that push. Tesla, I'm still anticipating a little bit more pullback to occur on that one. SPY, we're just waiting to see can we get that nice reversal back down towards that 72s, down to the 71.82s. Waiting on that one. Right now, still looking a little weak. Still looking a little weak. Buyers having trouble getting back above this key levels. No longer support, not resistance. We anticipating this next leg on down. So we need to lose 2250 right down to the 7250s down to the 72s themselves. So we want to see a nice little arc on this. Want to see a nice little arc, nice little green and red move right back on down. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to see. Yeah, guys. So I'm doing a small. When I say I'm doing a small account challenge, small guys. I'm gonna do it though. I got this. I got this. I ain't blowing up no account. Hell no, not in front of y'all. I ain't doing that. Y'all ain't about to clown on me. Negative. Not happening. I ain't giving y'all the satisfaction. Nope. I gotta hit the back of my race. Miss B, anything else y'all see? Y'all see anything else? I'm about to get a hallway in a few minutes because I know I gotta get back on the chat room. So guys, if y'all see any other stocks, anything else, feel free to let me know. So far I already called out the potential for Meta and Tesla so far. PLTR was moving. Let me see. I know we got to get back. What price point we need to get back above? Right now it's a little bit of a fade on that one. PLTR I would say 178 to 180. To get back, get back on my radar towards the upside. So 178, 180. I mean, got like a little bit of a little downtrend on PLTR at this time. SPY was still weak on that one. Let's see. Yep, so we still got like a little downtrend on that one so far. PLTR look like we could get a little bit more downside. If we do crack that 74, look for that 72 down to the 170 on that one. Yeah, the market is still looking a little weak though right now, guys. The market's still a little weak. Anything else I don't see? But if you did get in on the put side, guys, right underneath this level here, again, what you want to take out, we already underneath the 72.50, stay underneath 72.50, but that further pull back down to the 70s, down to that 71.82 on that one. Because again, what we want to see is a two-legged pullback. A little pullback here, consolidation, and then go for the next leg down. That'll give you a two-legged pullback down to these lower areas this way. So after this little consolidated area, we want to go for the next leg down this way. We want to just basically proceed on a downtrend setup. All right, let me go back. What Meta doing? How Meta looking? Meta still in this range, still ranging. Like I said, we need to get above 610. Meta needs to get above 610 on that one. 610, 610. 610, 610. Let's see how we looking on. All right. Bounce back on up. Right around this 34, back down. Yeah, because right now, like I said, guys, it's just a slow fade. It's just a slow fade. The volatility kind of suck right now. We only at, what, 9 million right now? It's a slow fade. I'm trying to see if I see anything else. We know for sure in the video we got to get back above 220, 222. AMD, I think it's 500. No, 480. AMD is 480. We got to get all the way back above 480 on that one. Apple, we need that 307 back up. Slowly still build. I mean, it's slowly building, but like I said, the volatility right now, guys, is just a little horrible. Got Microsoft turning, Amazon turning, Google. It's like all the techs are getting weak. Yeah, like all the techs are falling. Yeah, I don't see anything on the upside just yet. I mean, like I said, the only thing I like about Meta, you still got this bull flag pattern, this range still holding. Like I said, the main things you need with Meta is 610, 615. SPY slow downtrend on that one. You are underneath that 7250. 7250 still got up a shadow. We just waiting for that next leg down towards the 72s, down to my targeted level this way, 7182. Did I post it? I think I posted those. Go back to that later. All right, there you go, guys. Pulling back, boom. There you go. Two-legged pullback SPY. There you go if you're on the put side. Shout out to y'all on that one. We want to get that pull all the way down to 72. Boom. If y'all caught that one, there you go. Got that run back on up. Caught this area here. Turn support to resistance. Got that nice pull back on down. Little bull trap. Boom. To the next leg. Took out the 72.50. We need to now take out what? 72s down to that 71.82. And there y'all go. Tesla, I'm still anticipating more like another pullback. I'm trying to see, can we get this just drop like another pullback coming on that one. I want a harder pullback. Like I said, guys, if y'all see anything else, feel free to let me know. Because I was trying to go through the list to see if I see anything else. I mean, right now I'm just seeing a lot of weakness. I know we talked about IWM earlier. Oh, did we pull back on that one too? IWM? Oh yeah, we definitely faded. IWM from 302s, faded back down to the 300s, so that faded. Couldn't get above 302, so I came right back underneath my line and fell. Alright, so that faded down. Right down towards the 300-ish area. Not 300, what is that, 301? Yeah, 301, I'm sorry, 301. I mean, even now, like I said, they all looking weak right now. SPY was still anticipating this 72 on down. Still anticipating that one for the next leg down this way. Still waiting on that one. There you go. Boom. Booyah. There it is. Damn! Ooh, shout out to y'all on that one. There it is. Booyah. 72. They gave you your order. They gave y'all what y'all wanted, guys. There you go. 72. Booyah. I told y'all, waiting for that push back up. Right into that bull trap, and for that next leg down to 72, right down to my 71.82. There y'all go. There we go. There y'all go. Nice pullback. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to y'all on that pullback. That was beautiful. Beautiful play on that one. Beautiful play. What today? Today's the what? 11? Oh. Almost to my target, guys. Almost to my target, Miss B. Here we go. And like I told y'all, Tesla, I was waiting for more pullback. There it is. I was anticipating more pullback on Tesla. There it is. There it is. Y'all got y'all first target on SPY. Boom. Right down to that 71.82 to 72. There you go. Shout out to y'all for catching that pullback. Shout out, shout out. Right to the yellow line. Congrats on that one. Congrats on that one. Great job. Great job. Great freaking job on that. That was beautiful. So, guys, how many played the rotation? How many played this level here? All the way down to my yellow line here. How many played that one after I called it out? Your potential level to pull back down to. How many played it? I told y'all not to chase the bottoms. Wait for the buys to come to you. Trap them. Reverse it for a possible what? Two-legged pull back down. There you go. Shout out to y'all on that one. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. Miss B, you better have caught it. Miss B, you better caught that trade. Don't even play. You better caught that one. I want to hear that you caught a trade on that. You better caught that trade. That was a beautiful play. Beautiful play. And I told you guys, all it is just being patient. We already saw the setup. You already had an inverted cup. You lost this floor, turning what? Support into resistance. All we did was, instead of chasing the bottoms, we waited for the buys to go back up, turning what? Support into resistance, turning a bear trap into a bull trap. Now reversing it down to what? To your targeted area. There you go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you play it. That's how you play it. I mean, that was perfect. The 72.81 level, boom. Down to what? 71.82. Boom. Dollar pullback. There you go. That was beautiful. Beautiful play. Right on the money. Right on the money. Now watching bottoms right here, guys. Now they may expect a possible bounce again. What if you want to move down to the next level? We got to crack what? This key level here. Watch your bottoms right here. Watch your bottoms. Watch chasing these bottoms. Again, wait on confirmation to get that candle right through it. Because, again, you want to take that floor away from those buyers. If you miss this move here, be careful chasing right here. Wait on the next opportunity. Wait on the next opportunity. Let's see if they're going to try to bounce it. Either going to bounce. Let's see. Either we about to bounce or we get the next leg down. Let's see. But that was a beautiful play. From here to here, that was beautiful. That was a beautiful play. A beautiful play. Beautiful play. How we looked on Meta? Did we pull back on Meta too? Yep, Meta right back down to the 607s, right to the VWAP on that one. Nice little 3 candle bar play back down from 610s all the way back down. So I told you guys you need to get there. You needed 610 if you want to continue up. So pull back on that one. I told you guys the market was weak. The market is weak right now. So I told you to be careful on that. I told you we have a downtrend setup right in front of us. Downtrend setup. Now let's see what's going to be the next opportunity. For those who missed this one, what's going to be next? Let's see what's going to happen right here. Keep in mind, even if you do get a bounce on up, you already know what resistance is. If we get a bounce back on up, watch this key level again. Let's see if you get a rinse and repeat. Let's see if you get somewhat of a double top. If they get a bounce back up. But if they can't hold right here, these buys, if you don't have enough buys to hold around this key level here, guys, you're going for the next leg going down. Because, again, your demand zone isn't all the way until the 69s to 68-ish area. You still got room to fall from that yellow line all the way back down this way. But if they hold it, it's going to keep you right in this little range right here. But if you lose it, look all this room you got to fall back down. Because now you're crossing that pivot point down to the bottom of that range. So keep it on watch right here to see. Let's see. Let's see. Keep it on watch. Keep it on watch. Will we get this continuation sell off or will buyers try to hold? Right now we're getting a little nice pullback still. Let's see. Nice little pullback. Let's see. Take your time, guys. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Again, you already got your first initial trade right here. That's cool. Let's see what the next setup is going to be. All right. Ms. B, what are you looking at? Well, which stocks are you looking at this time? What else are you looking at? Because right now, a lot of them still looking weak. I mean, Meta's starting to fall back down. They didn't hold this morning. NVIDIA, the area I had on the downside, once we crack underneath that 219, I do have 218. 218's all the way down for a possible gap fill on NVIDIA if you want to catch the put on that one. All right, Tesla. We already cracked underneath the area that we were supposed to hold. I'm anticipating this pull all the way back down towards like the 331-ish area, almost like down towards 330.88. After this little bounce on up to see if it's going to hold up as resistance for the next leg down on that one. So my target area is on the downside. Let me go ahead and post on this one. For Tesla, are you looking for longs or shorts on that one? Longs or shorts? All right, watch the key level here. And these were the areas that we bounced at this morning. So watch the key levels back down this way. If we get a pull back down. All right. Down this way. All right, got those levels in play. SPY, guys, watch this area here. All right, long. I'm expecting one more pullback. Like, after this bounce on up, I'm expecting one more leg down. I'm expecting one more leg down. Back down into this little area, back down this way. That's what I'm expecting. Let's see, can we get it? After we go on up, right into resistance underneath the VWAP, I'm expecting to get rejected and then pull back down even harder towards these levels this way. You know, the 32s down into the 30s. That's what I'm expecting. So after this one, a little bounce on up, consolidation, set up a little bull trap, and then reverse them one more time. That's what I'm expecting. Same thing with SPY, guys. Like I said, if they so happen to bounce, watch this key level here. Make sure we stay right underneath this area right here, underneath the 73. The 72.81 to 73, stay underneath that one and then reverse them back down. So what I wouldn't mind seeing right here is a possible green or red move. Let them buy back up, right into resistance, get rejected, and then come right back down, slamming it right back down to this floor for even a harder drop. That's what I'm expecting. And don't forget, guys, tomorrow we do have CPI data coming out. So this is what I wouldn't mind on SPY, Ms. B, off of this bottom. Let the buyers buy back up, right into resistance, get trapped, and then reverse it back down. Test this one more time, but then go right through it. That's what I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind seeing that. Tesla, same thing. Go up right into this old high of day right here. That's no longer support, now resistance. Right back up towards that, close towards that 334. I want to see a possible green or red move here. Let them buy back up, right into resistance. Let them get rejected, and then come back down for the next leg. That's what I wouldn't mind seeing. Same thing, see? SPY, let them get the bounce back up, right into resistance. So keep that on watch. Keep it on watch. Let's see. Let them buy right back up into resistance. Because keep in mind, guys, look at the body Z candles. Have none of them successfully got back on top of what price point? Right on top of the 72.81. Right here. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. So let them buy right back into resistance, and make sure we stay underneath this 72.81, 73. Trap them right here to reverse them. Same thing with Tesla. Let them push up towards that VWAP to this old high of day, right around this 33.73 to 34. Trap them right here. Reverse them right back down. So as we go on up, we want to start to see upper shadow, but the bodies of the candles get stuffed right here for possible reversal back down. Because, I mean, I want to go for another swing trade, but I want a lower level, Ms. B. Because I did a swing trade on Tesla yesterday, and I took the pop back up this morning. So I caught that one. But I want a deeper pullback to get lower areas to have a good bounce. So right now we are testing this area. I want to see if we're going to see a possible green or red move right here, and then that reversal back down. So I might anticipate a little bit of a little. Let me see. Let me switch over to because I'm trying to figure out which one I want to do. Whether I want to do Tesla, or I want to do SPY. I'm just trying to figure out which one I want to do. Because I know I gotta wait for SPY to build its way back up. Tesla already building back up. That one already moving a little bit faster than SPY is doing. Let me see what I want to do. Because I wouldn't mind seeing about 2 more candles build up this way. About 2 more candles. What we got left on this candle? Oh, this one about to close out in right about now. Next candle in. Boom. Shit, there we go. I want to see another bounce up this way, right into resistance. Tesla got 1, 2, 3 candles already up towards its tops. I want to start to see them get rejected right here. Because I don't want the bounce to happen just yet. Not yet. I want to see a deeper pullback. Well, I know majority of buyers going to be sitting at. Alright. So watch the Tesla tops, guys. Let's see, can we hold it underneath that 34. SPY, I'm still waiting on this setup here to take place. So Tesla, watch your tops, watch your VWAP right here, right where we at. Okay. All right. Let's see. I'm just taking a look at these different contracts real quick. All right, let's see what we got. How much is this one? Might have go down a little bit lower. What I got? All right. See some good open interest. Good open interest. See one at 2,000. See this one. 6,000. That one ain't bad. Good open interest on that one. Let me see. Alright. So I'm gonna try to see what I can do. Cause you remember, guys, I gotta play very tight. I gotta play very tight. Cause you gotta remember, I'm doing the small account challenge. Gotta play very, very, very tight. Very, very freaking tight. Oh, did I miss it already? Don't tell me they're already about to do it. Let me see what's about to happen. Oh man, don't tell me about they already start pulling. Let me see if they gonna hold it. I would just get my contract set up for it too. God damn it. What time it is? We got about 3 minutes on this candle. I was just about to get it ready too. Oh, my bad, boss. My bad. All right, I got you. I'm in a. Oh, let me go. I gotta see this. Let's go. All right, boss. We here. In a what battle?
Meta. Yeah, they're attacking Meta pretty hard.
All right, go to Meta.
think we're about to just jump ship here. And I got Apple's strong. Apple's okay, but Amazon's gonna fail here. Oh, Jay, they got me good.
No Taper Capital jumped in again.
Yeah, they got me good.
Yep, because you got rejected right in these 610s right back down. 610 was
They got me good this time. I really don't want to give up though. I mean, I gotta put in like fucking how much more into this? Oh man, dude, Kyle's upset.
He did, so y'all jumped in on the long for that on Meta?
No, I'm in SPY on the small port, but like right now we're trying to build up volume and they're just eating everything up. I'm trying to bring SPY back up to close to 72.50 here, but they're just eating everything up. I mean that short was just that was a beautiful fucking trap. I mean that was a great trap actually. Palantir, I mean I don't care about Palantir. I mean Meta right now, that was right below VWAP. I mean I'm making money back on Apple, which is fine, but I just feel bad because I jump ship from Google and my buddy is getting demolished on Google right now, like demolished.
So that's those capital guys attacking again?
No, it's not them. It's not. I mean, I don't know. It could be, but I mean, whoever they are, they came in volume. I mean, I'm still. I mean, my small port is like 58% red right now, so it's freaking sucks. 58% red, and I'm still in it. Come on, Jay. Push. Buy some shares and pump up something.
Just buying right now, man. In this weak market right now.
All right, no faith. I got you. All right, say less. Lucky, let me know when it touches 11 cents coming up, okay?
Gotcha.
Lucky, you on long?
In SPY, yeah.
We're fighting to the death right now.
Yeah, like I was
fighting
saying.
to the death right now.
Yeah, if you go for a push, I can see 72.50 up to that 72.83.
No, it's all good. Don't worry. I mean, I'm gonna make the shit work. I'm not gonna quit this one. Oh my god! Damn, dude, they're getting demolished on. All right, let me help them on Google a little bit. But if I leave if I leave AMD here, I mean, if I leave Amazon, they're gonna look. Oh my god, my main port is kind of. I haven't seen a red on my main port like this in a long time. Holy shit! What do we have to do? 56, 58, 72, 34. Okay.
All right, Miss B, that's your rejection on Tesla underneath that 34 back on down we talked about. See, we're talking about that 32s down to the 30s for the next leg down. So I was telling you not to go long just yet.
Bro, yeah, I'm pretty much stuck. I'm done. There's no way I'm not putting in another 150 million on this. There's no fucking way. Jay, are you in anything right now or no?
No, not yet. Yeah, as I was getting my contracts ready for Tesla, I mean, they already started pulling it. I'm like immediately. I was waiting for that rejection.
Like, I really want to do one last fight here, but then like it's gonna cost me a lot.
Man,
And I don't think I have the. I don't think I could do it.
Man, I missed that So yeah, Miss B,
Yeah.
yes, so Miss B, you want to take out that 32s? We want to get down towards my target areas of 30.88. That'd be next leg down.
Yeah, we're done. We're done. We got smacked around today. All right, I gotta reposition my stuff.
I'm on the short side. Okay. Miss B, what was your entry? Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm in Nvidia. Why am I in Nvidia?
I missed that. I can't believe I missed that.
Why the hell am I in Nvidia? All right, we're done. We're out.
Remember, guys, that level we talked about? SPY right here, 71.82. Watch it. I ain't get my bounce all the way up, but.
We are out. We're out. We're out. We're out. We're out. We're out.
35.
We got smacked around today, pretty hard. That's a pretty deep cut. That was a deep cut. Damn, that was a deep cut. Oh, that hurts. That really does hurt. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't want to blow this account, but I already blew. I mean, that's my first blow account. Oh my God. Oh, Jay, I got trapped.
And the crazy part about it is like, it's like knowing that you short buys, you be going long. That's crazy.
Dude, I can't believe I got trapped, dude. Out of all days, I got trapped on this stupid day I wasn't gonna trade.
Oh yeah, what was special with SPY? I mean, that 74 from yesterday held again. 74 held.
Oh my God, I just can't believe I blew this account. I'm so mad.
We got tomorrow. Got that CPI data.
I did so good on this account too. Oh my fucking God.
Welcome to my world, brother.
Nah,
No,
bro. It's just fucking. Were you in this shit too, or no?
I'm not going to that
Nah, I
world.
wasn't in
Nah, I ain't going to that world. Bump that.
it. He's like, I ain't going to that.
That's the neither realm. Neverland.
You got a big ass stand.
That's the wasteland.
Nah, dude. Yeah, this count's done. I mean,
It's gone.
fucking 61% down. That's the biggest cut I've ever had. I mean, I was, and on my main port, dude. You don't want to know how bad is it on my main right now. It's bad right now.
Damn, Miss B, you got me though. Shout out to you, jumped in on that one.
Oh, Jay, this hurts.
You gonna get it back. You always bounce back.
Nah, this one hurts a little bit. Like I feel like I got bamboozled a little bit. I'm not gonna lie.
You got
My contracts are not even selling on this one because it's so low. I mean, which I'm not. Bro, why is Google? I mean, why is Robinhood is Robinhood acting up for you guys a little bit?
It is. My watch list disappeared.
Bro, what the hell is going on? I mean, Weeble's having some issues too. What the fuck?
Yeah, and even SPY called out the bull trap for them for that next leg down from underneath 72.81 all the way down to that 71.82. The dollar pullback. Yep, I told you guys this morning he was on a downtrend on SPY. The market was weak right now.
Yo, what do you have for SPY right now? What's your level on SPY that you see? Because I'm not watching SPY.
What, up or down?
I mean, like, what's your level? Like, what's the bottom level?
Right now, that 71.82 right where we at, right around 72. But if we crack, we going all the way down to that demand zone of like 69.50s all the way into like the 67s.
What's the upside tick?
We break above 74. You still got that 75 to take out. 75 is still a brick wall. So those two areas, 74, 75, still brick wall. If you bounce here, you got that 80, 72, 81 to 73.
All right, hold on.
Yeah, they can bounce right here.
Boy, he's not quitting. I respect him for it, but I don't know if I could join him on this one.
Yeah. If they can hold this level, yeah, if they can hold this level right where they at, I mean, you do have room to push back up to like that close to 73.
Dude, I literally have 485 on this account now. I'm about to cry.
Yeah, you're gonna
I'm
bounce
about
back.
to cry.
You're gonna bounce
Wow,
back.
that's brutal. Alright, so it's all good. Build it back. I mean, it's fine. I got humbled today. I got humbled. I'm not gonna lie. I got humbled really hard.
Yep. So if they can get this bounce right here, back above 72, I mean, they can run up to 70, close to 73. 72.50 to 73.
Back to 9 cents.
$75.
All right, fuck it. I'm going deep on the 774s too. Fuck it. I'm going stupid deep. Either I make my money back or I blow this whole entire account. I don't care. I'm at the 20 cents here, so we'll see. You'll see where we go here. If it sells off here, I'm at 10%. I'm 10% down, like red 10%. I'm done. Rinse, repeat on this one. I'm not holding contracts at all. Even at 8%, I might just dip out. Yep, that was 5%. I'm gonna wait 10 seconds here. Next fucking level, I'm not adding on to or nothing. Alright, 10%, 8%, I'm done. Alright, cut. Rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. We're not cutting. We're not doing this. We're not doing this back and forth right now. Dude, Kyle is on a mission with Google though. He said he's still not out. He said he's not giving up. Alright, I mean, good for him. Bro, it's been a while since I got humbled like that, even on the small account like this. Now I know how this fucking feels. This shit doesn't feel good at all.
Yeah, Miss B, did you take your profits? Just watch this little area right here. Just like they're trying to create like a little double bottom right here. Just watch this area. This the area you need to fall back underneath if you want to continue down. So just watch this little area. You need to take it out.
They're attacking AMD really heavy right now, like super heavy. They're going to be attacking Tesla here soon too, just FYI.
10-4.
I mean, there's a lot of buyers coming in. I mean, they're coming in super late. I don't know why they're coming in now. Dude, oh my god. I just saw Kyle's P&L right now, and oof, not looking so good. Not looking so good. God, I should have just taken a break today. I should have just listened to my own advice. I should have just listened to my own advice and taken a break today. I knew this market was going to be a fucking slow bleed like this, and then I'll get crushed. Oh, Jay, I have to build this back up. I'm going to be at $500 now.
Man, you got this. Cause like I said, then CPI data, you're gonna have a lot of volatility no more.
Oh my god, man, I gotta build this back up.
Yeah, man, you got this.
It's not only that, dude. Like my main port today, I lost. I mean, with all the buys, I mean, they got us for a lot. They got us for a decent amount. They got us for a lot. How much did they get? I mean, I don't even want to look at my P&L. Nope, I don't even want to look.
I'm looking on CLWV. Can we fall back down to the 88 to 86? Hey, look, I told you that CLWV was gonna touch around that 88 to 86.
If you swung it yesterday and sold early, you would have made some money. But it's bottoming out.
Yeah, but I wouldn't go along. Nah, I wasn't doing long side yesterday. I wasn't doing it. Nope. I'm waiting for those lows to get to the very bottoms and scoop those. That's what I'm waiting on. I want those bottoms to hit. I want it to keep selling off.
What you waiting on? 79?
86. I'm gonna see if the 86 can try to hold. I mean, because I see some good bounces right in that key area. 88, 86, right in that area where they should be buying in at.
Bruh, can we just get 772.50 here for the love of Jeebus? Just for one time, can we just get this win?
Do I see any good spreads?
Please, 772.50, just one time.
Nah, I don't see no good spreads yet on these. I want one more pullback on that bad boy. Underneath 88.
Yeah, I need this 772.50 so bad right now. So bad right now. I mean, he's fighting Google, that's fine. I mean, I'll help him out a little bit here. I can't help out too much. Dude, I'm literally about to just slap this and just literally pay my fucking penalty on this.
Yeah, like I said, the spy, man, like I said, you got that up to 83, 72.50 to 73. You still got that. It's still bouncing.
Oh my fucking god, dude, why? Please, just fucking just go now.
Yep, we're almost to 72.50, almost to that price point. Almost to there on that one. 2, 3. Alright, that's target number 1, and then 73.
Brother, I need this now. Like, I need this, like, immediately now. Nope. They're fighting me again. Oh my effing goodness, these guys are brutal. Okay. Alright, gloves are off. Fuck this. Alright, gloves are off. I'm tired of these guys. Yep, gloves are absolutely off now. Oh yeah, we're off. We're doing this. Let's go, come on, hurry up. Hurry up, come on. Alright, I'm helping Kyle on Google right now. Piggyback on his order. I'll help you out, brother. I'll help you out. We need 772.50 ASAP. That's it. That's where we need. That's where we need. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. Let's go. Build this up. They're attacking Apple. I don't care. They could attack it. I could care less. Bro, where's this volume at? Let's go. Build volume. I mean, we created like a great space for everyone to join. Like we have, you guys could buy this up to like 5 million here, and it would have been free money for everybody. Come on. Come on, Google. There you go. Build it. Dude, 775 is coming at 9 cents too, which is okay. I'm not complaining, but we need this at 15 cents, and I can't hold this any for longer. Come on. Alright, this is 15 more. Alright, come on, baby. Come on, I have faith. We just gotta do 25 more cents here. 25 more cents. Shouldn't be that freaking hard. this shouldn't be this freaking hard. Where's my balance right now? Oh my god, 357. Damn, Jay, I knew I should have just taken today off after I saw this pre-market in the morning. I knew something told me, a voice told me, just like, hey, just call it a day today.
Remember, you told us to do that this morning.
Brother, I mean, I should have listened to my own. Oh, I should have just not traded. I really shouldn't have traded today. I just didn't like the volume. I knew if I fell in a trap like this, I know it's going to be so hard to get back. I mean, I just need Google back up to 350, 52. I mean, like literally 350, 50 on Google, I'll be okay. I need SPY to be at 772.50, but they're attacking everything I left. They know I left. I don't know how they know I left, but
yeah.
Here comes the sell-off again. Round 2 sell-off. Dude, this is unreal. Uneffing real. Yep, here comes this. Where's the sell-off? Come on. There is a sell-off. Yep, there is exactly what I was looking for. Yep, there it is. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Today was a bad. I've never had a bad day like this in Omaha. I should just. This is a pretty bad day. Holy crap! I can't even make 25 cents on this. This is insane. I'm literally bidding against myself now. Wow. Wow, they got me good. Wait. Hello? Dude, I'm bidding against myself on all these buys right now. I mean, yeah, they on that one. I mean, like that account, it's over. That's done. I don't know how I'm gonna get out of the. I don't know how I'm gonna get out of the Amazon and Meta right now. I mean, I could buy 70% leverage on this one, which is fine. I mean, Google, we're making some money back, right? But I don't know if I could do this. If I'm like. I know we talked about it this morning too. We're not even supposed to trade.
Yeah, so watch, guys, and we just watch this area. Watch this area.
Yeah. I'm gonna hold it until 12:30. That's all I could do.
All right, Miss B, we just need a top out right here underneath that VWAP. Let's see, can we get this arc back down? So right now it's still holding, and then go CRWB pulling, just what I was anticipating. Underneath, I want to see this 88 crack on that one.
All right, bye.
CRWB crack.
Oh, Jay, I'm about to punch a hole in the wall today.
I already know what you're about to say.
Dude, I'm really like this actually hurt a lot.
Yeah, like I said, you gonna bounce back, boss. You got this.
Nah,
CPI data coming out, you're gonna have a lot more.
Things.
Yeah, a lot more volatility tomorrow.
Nah, this hurts, man. I mean, I just lost 75% on the small port challenge. I need 774 to hit 25 cents to at least bring it back to the key level that I need. I don't know how that's even possible at this rate. My main port, I just got demolished. It's like probably the biggest red I've ever seen in my life on my main port.
Yep. Right now, Ms. B, yeah, you're still looking good. VWAP rejection. We just need to take out that 3250, 3240 area when you take out these bottoms for that next leg down. So we need a hard pull coming. We need a hard pull. Can we get it? I mean, we're still going down though. I mean, still starting to cup down. So you're looking good right now. Starting to cup down slowly. CRWV, waiting on that 88 crack. Still trending down. Meta, still trending down, guys. So we're just trying to see. Now that the market's getting weak, if these sellers are about to start really attacking. Let's see though. Whew. Alright, let's see.
Yep, I'm done. Fuck today. Oh my god, I got this account. Oh, I'm crying. I'm crying tears inside right now. Oh, dude. I mean, 774, 25 cents is the only thing that's saved this small account right now, but I mean, Apple's failing right now. Apple's going to touch 306.25. Amazon's fighting. Meta is about to fail coming up if there's no buyers. Meta has 603.95. I mean, like we need spot to hit 772.50 here. I mean, there's a miracle push somehow. Somehow there's a miracle push. I don't know where it's coming from because I don't see it coming from Nvidia or AMD. I have no idea where this buy is coming from.
Going through them right now.
Well, what volume? Where is this volume coming from?
Looking right through it, I don't see nothing pushing.
I don't see anything on this. Like, it's not Google. It's not semiconductor. It's not retail. I mean, where is this volume coming from? I mean, I'm not complaining, but where is this coming from?
I mean, coin had a little bounce, but that was about it. Yeah, I don't. What the hell? Like, what is that?
I'm not complaining one bit at all right now, to be honest. But wherever this volume, I mean, there
was a 100K order on Amazon or Apple.
On
I mean, an Apple.
Apple's not gonna push it like this though. This is something.
Yeah, something else. So it's not a fake out, like a.
I mean, you got second green bar in NVIDIA, second green bar in Google.
Yeah, but the way this
AMD's
is
headed up to green.
Yeah, the way this is.
No, I mean, right now,
right now.
You guys see.
I mean, the only thing is Google. I know they're holding Google right now. I mean, like he's not giving up on it, which I kudos to him.
Yeah, I don't know what the.
Bro, 72. I've never seen a fucking percentage that fucking in the red. Ever, like, I don't remember the last time I ever had that. That's freaking insane.
Yeah, that's why I was wondering if it was like a potential fake out, like a quick squeeze, and then to trap more buyers to those tops to have them chase and then trap them right back down.
I mean, I don't know if they're even clever for that. I mean, that's some.
Because I mean, they did run it up toward that 7250, then right back on down. It's like they trapped more buyers who was chasing that. Yep, cause look, it's pulling right back down. So it's like they did it on purpose.
Because it should be going down a lot more right now, if that's the case, you know?
Yeah, CRWV squeezing up, but yeah, it's almost like they did it on purpose to trap like whoever was chasing it to the top.
I mean, it's not us, so I don't know who the hell they're trapping. I mean, whoever that was, I mean, I wish they were here like 10 minutes ago or 30 minutes ago.
Yeah,
that would have been
fake
great.
Out. Yep, straight fake out. All right, Miss B, there go your crack. There you go your Tesla pull so far. We're almost to your target. Almost there, down to 32, right by 32. Yeah, that was a fake out. That was a straight fake out. They trapped all those longs up there. Cool, RIP to that. Cool. Whoever was chasing that top. Damn. Ooh. God.
All right, my goal is to make I have 392 on this stupid freaking account. I have to build it to 500 because I'm not putting, I refuse to put money back onto this. So, all right, 392.59. That's it.
All right, Ms. B, we underneath the 50-day moving average. Underneath 32, so we're almost to your target. Almost. Oh man, almost.
Damn, he needs help with Google, dude. I don't want to freaking help him with Google anymore. Oh, fine. We might see more lower right now coming up.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That's why I stayed after that trap. Yeah, they're about to probably come in more aggressive now. Let's see. Ms. B, I'm jealous. You caught that Tesla. Oh, I'm jealous.
I'm like, I can't believe I'm scalping this bad. I just got into the 772 puts here at 71 cents. I'm like scalp mode. Like I'm on like find every little crumb mode right now. Don't you go up? Stop. No,
yeah, that's because Apple a little bit of a bounce. They're trying to get back on top of that 307.13. Off of that VWAP bounce, they're trying to get back up on 307.
God, man, every time I make $50 on this, come on, please, just give me $50 fucking downtrend here. I'm like doing the things that I go against, and I'm
emotional trading.
No, I mean, I'm not emotionally trading. I'm just like not. I should just back out here, but like I am like really bad scalping right now. Like it's. I should wait. I should wait until 12:30 here, but I am kind of revenge trading just a tad bit. But I mean, this is like a small port, so damn, it's 30. That's 8%. I told myself 8% I cut. 8% I cut. 8% I fucking cut. Just 8% okay, 11% I'll cut. I know SPY should be going down here, so I'm praying that we take this down to 771.80 here, and I'll make at least $70 on this. If I do that, I'm kind of fucking Kyle up a little bit, but I mean, I have to build this port back up.
Now, Ms. B, now let's see as we bounce up. Let's see, can we turn this into resistance now? This 3240, 3250. Let's see as we bounce up, reversing on them. Let's see, can we turn this into a bull trap them, and then yank them again. Let's see.
There we go. Come on, please, more lower, please. No consolidation here. I need a straight drop here. All right, 5%. I'll take this 5%. 7%. I'll take 7%. Oh fuck! I should have taken 7%.
Oh shoot!
All right, come on. All right, there it is. 11%. I'll take this. I'll take this all day. I'll take this all day.
There go your inverted cup. We just talked about. Boom. There it is.
Oh
man. Oh. Oh. Shout out to the puts. Shout out to the puts.
I just have to make $70 more just to offset this.
Shout out to the puts on that one. Boom, inverted, guys. What I told y'all.
Damn, I should have held this.
Trap.
Oh my gosh,
Boom.
I should have held this.
Right back. Oh, that was big. That was crucial. I told y'all that when I seen that fake push, I like, oh, that's a trap. That's a fake out breakout. They was trapping bodies up
The
there.
only reason why I was doing, only reason why was meta's touching that
Oh man.
key level here too. So
That was insane.
if meta breaks down, we're going down.
I told y'all guys after that, that was good. They were gonna go in more aggressive. I told y'all after that after they run this up, they should be coming in more aggressive, and they sure did. Damn, that was crazy.
All right, my guys are out of Google. They said they give up too. So all right, we're waving the white flag on that one. All right. Okay, back to this.
That was y'all inverted cup, guys. That was y'all
We have to make $800. Come on, hurry up. Pick something.
Oh, you bastard.
I have to make $800. Come on, Jay. It's possible.
I mean, we still got a fade on SPY. We still got room to still fall. Let me see. All right, SPY. I mean, not SPY. Apple. We are back underneath that 307. All right, let's see. Everything's setting up the pull, boss. I mean, even with Tesla, I've been calling Tesla right here for that pull down towards 330, 88. I mean, Miss B jumped in. She already jumped in, so she catching her pull back. Call that for her. There's more pullback coming. I mean, a lot of pullbacks are coming. So they getting ready for that CPI data. They definitely dropping this for that CPI data. That's normally what they do. The day before CPI, they always do this. Always drop them to the lowest possible areas. Always the day before. Never fail. Yep. So rinse and repeat every single time before CPI data. They always do this.
Yo, I can't believe I fucking blew this fucking account. How much did I lose today? Hold on. Dude, I lost. I'm about to throw up. All that hard work last week and today, just vamoose. 60% just gone.
Wasn't you like, what, $2,000 on it?
Like 23, 24. Yeah, I'm like $2,000. It's gone. I'm at 437.16 right now.
Yeah, you still got a little bit, still cushion. Still got that. All right, Miss B, almost to your target.
Man, I really,
almost. Oh wait, Harvard. Yeah, go ahead.
No, I mean meta's at target. Everything's at target right now. I mean, man, why do I? God, it really hurts. Oh, it's not even. It's not the small account. It's just like this bleed really hurt today.
Yep.
Dude, how the hell did I get trapped on this?
Yep, they always do this. They do this every time before CPI. They do this.
It's not even nice. How do I get trapped on this?
All right, Miss B, we're almost to your target. We almost there, Queen. Almost. We about there. Almost. It's yanking it. It's going. Can we hit it? Here we hit. Let's see. On your Tesla, we almost there. Apple pulling right back down to that 306.38, almost to that target. Which one gonna hit first? Oh, Apple gonna hit first. I was just about to see which one was gonna hit the fastest. 38. Let's see. I'll still put it though, just in case it ain't hit it yet. Almost to it though. Which one gonna hit between Apple and Tesla? I think Apple will probably hit it first, maybe. Now, guys, for your SPY, watch this level here. Once this area starts to, we get out this consolidation underneath, we may be going for that next leg underneath this. Yep, they do this every time before CPI. Because they trying to get low areas. They trying to get some low bidding areas, bargaining areas. Buy them respectfully. Just waiting to see which one gonna hit first. Apple or Tesla? Apple or Tesla? Which one?
It really hurts.
Yeah, Miss B, you don't have to wait all the way down to the that 30 or 31 area, 30.88 if you want to take profits. I mean, if you good, I mean, you can take the meter to move coin. I mean, it's up to you. It's your account, whatever you want to do. If you want to wait for that pull all the way down, you can. Or if you want to take profits now, you can. It's up to you. I mean, if you made from 35 on down, I mean, you golden. I mean, that's what, damn near $4 down. You should be up. You should be good.
Hey, this could be a nice bounce area, though.
Yeah, I'm keeping on watch, especially with SPY right here on this 71.82 to 72. I'm watching it right here.
I mean, Meta's still right at the bottom zone. I mean, if it fails here, it fails pretty deep again, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, the next level is 771.09 on SPY.
Let's see. It's the way this is setting up. It's just looking like more downside is coming.
771.10 is the next level, so we'll see.
All right, Miss B, you got up a shadow so far. Like I said, if you want to, it's up to you. If you want to wait for that target to get hit, you can. If you want to take the medium move, you can right now. I mean, you're still up. It's up to you. It's up to you. Spot's still pulling underneath that pivotal point, guys. Now we on the bottom portion of that range, of that channel. We on the bottom portion, aiming right towards the demand zone. Look how much room you got to fall away this way. Let's see the measure. Let's do the measure move technique. Let's see how much room can you fall underneath that price point. Let's see. How much room can you fall this way? Yep. That'll be about 69-ish. From here to here, about 69-ish. Yeah, be about right. Yep. Yep. Some more pullback in us is possibly about to occur. So get ready, guys.
Because AMD is rejecting, but Nvidia is building up a little volume though, just a tad bit.
Okay. So right down towards 69.50-ish. Another target possibly on down.
But I mean, obviously we're looking for the downfall, you know?
Yep.
771.10. I mean, I'm at 5%. Oh my God, this moves so fast today now.
We'll put 2.
Meta broke right now.
Apple's still pulling. Waiting to see which one gonna hit.
I mean, today was a shit day. Alright, it's all good. I gotta reset. I have to reset. Today was a bad day. Today was a bad day. Can't all have green days, right?
Yeah, it happens, man. It happens. Nobody's perfect.
Can't have all fucking green days. Damn, that really hurt though. I'm not gonna lie, that hurt my core today.
I think Apple about to hit this target. Let's see if Apple hit it first. We're almost right there, guys. Shout out to the Apple puts. Your target hit. All right, that was your target. Still waiting on Tesla. See if they're gonna hit his. Shout out to y'all.
Alright, Meta's failing pretty hard.
Next target down on your Apple.
I just don't understand what's holding SPY up right now.
Might be stalling them out for a harder pull coming. Alright, let's see.
Wait, what's pulling?
No, I said they might be stalling them out for a harder pull. To wear out those buyers, to go for even harder, to get more aggressive. because they got a lot of room to still fall. Like,
I mean, they're targeting 771.10 like heavy right now. That's what everyone's targeting right now. Even we're switching sides to 771.10 right now. And of course, his buyers come out of nowhere too now. It's insane, dude. Like, who's buying? Like, why would you buy up this level?
6 and down to that 67.
What? Why are you guys buying up this level?
And down to the 5, 60, 67. Below. Alright. Just in case. It's good.
This shit makes no sense.
I got it.
Oh, CPI day, man. Oh my god. CPI. The day after, just all this fuckery.
All right, you already know. Miss B, did you take your profits on Tesla? Towards these bottoms, did you take it? I mean, that was a good little opportunity to take a little bit of some of your profits right there. I mean, remember, don't get greedy.
Dude, that's insane. That is insane. They're just whoever's buying this now is absolutely bonkers. Wow, do you see these buys right now coming in now out of nowhere?
Yep, I see it. All of them too. Apple, Tesla, a lot of them. Yeah, they all bouncing. But let's see if they're gonna hold.
I mean, their level is 772.25 here, but I'm just like, where did these guys come from?
Yep, right towards my resistance. Yep, right around, because I got 72.20. It's about, yes,
Like,
about
where, dude, come on, man. Like, let's not do this. Let's just have.
All right, Miss B, so you on the green on the day? Shout out to you. Give you some love. Great job, great job. That's what I'm talking about. Shout out to Miss B and the whole team. Great job, man. Killed it. W team. Great job. Yep, let's see that trap. Let's see if they're going to set up this bull trap right here. Right back underneath. Let's see. That's where they should be trapping them. Right here. And then for that next leg down. Let's see. Let's see.
I mean, the super trend is on down on Meta right now, but I mean, I'm looking. I mean, Nvidia is the only thing that's building up volume, and AMD it has some buyers, but I just don't understand how long this could hold, though.
Time it is, 12:38. All right. No problem at all, Ms. B. Nah, you did a great job. Good entry, good exit. Great job, great job. So yeah, all you do, Ms. B, like I said, all you do is watch your old areas right here. You ran up the first time, tested around the that 33.73, rejected. Then you got that nice bounce back up right underneath the VWAP, double top, right back down. There you go. Even with SPY, guys, I told y'all this morning, watch it 74. 74, 74, 74 was a good entry for that move all the way back down. That was your best entry.
Jay, before I start trading again, I'm gonna listen to my own advice. I'm gonna close out.
Okay, gotcha.
Have a good one. Take a break.
Oh, then it's what, Tuesday? Get you some tacos. Taco Tuesday.
Nah, bro. Today was pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie. That actually hurt. That actually hurt a lot. Hurt a lot. Oh, Jay, I'm kicking myself right now, brother.
It's all right. Like I said, you're gonna bounce back. You got this.
That was a brutal day for me today.
All right. Now, Ms. B, we want to see what
How
Tesla.
much am I?
Oh, go ahead, boss.
75.
Yeah.
No, go ahead.
Yeah, I was gonna say, guys, even if you got out that Tesla and we bounce back up, watch this level here, right around this 3240, 3250. This is gonna turn into resistance for the next possible leg down. After this bounce on up, let's see, can we turn this into resistance for the next leg down? We still got some room to still possibly pull back into the 330s. So let's see. Apple, there you go, guys. Your target's 306. About to hit your next target right here. 306 down to 305.67.
My question is like, where? I mean, like all these buyers, where do they come from? It's just like that's my question.
I think they just, I think they just doing it. Yeah, I think they're doing it on purpose. They just setting up purpose like traps. I think it's sellers like putting up these fake buys to get people to jump into them, and then they short them. Cause that's what they look like they're doing. They just keep creating traps. Cause the minute they go up, they short them right back down.
No, it's just like that big buyer. I mean, even if they did create traps, that would cost them a lot of money. I'm just like, I'm looking at all the order books and I'm just trying to see exactly where they're doing this.
Yep, never fails. So that's why, guys, your economics are so important. Always, especially with CPI data in them, always realize on how they setting up the day before. Normally, they do pullbacks. They try to pull as low as they can because due to those numbers, you know, you wouldn't want to buy at the top and you have bad numbers in the drop on you. You do better having a more safer level. Let's see what's next. Still waiting on this 306 to see, can we tap that 306 real quick on Apple. Let's see, can we tap it. Tesla waiting for this little bounce up into 3250. Back down.
Apple's rejecting pretty hard here. Meta should be rejecting here too.
Yep.
Amazon's rejecting.
Yep, waiting for that
I mean,
tap.
Google just rejected everything.
Yeah, waiting for that tap of 306, and then underneath you got 305.67. Crazy, CLWV still trying to hold.
The only thing that's picking up volume is Palantir. That's about it.
Oh, I see where those tops at. Where they trying to go? I see it. Trying to go all the way up to what's that? 89.30 ish. And what you say yesterday, Lucky? The trend is your friend. What we have? Downtrend. There it is.
I mean, if we could hit 771.10, that's my final trade of the day. That's the absolute final trade of the day.
Are you guys out of Google?
Yeah, we're all out of Google.
Thanks.
Alright, guys, look like we're about to soon possibly tap this 306 on Apple. Let's see, can we get it? Let's see. May have some buyers trying to hold it, but let's see if they got no buyers to do it. Oop, bam, 306. Let's see, down to the next one, 305.67. Hard pull back on that one. Good. That was a hard pull. Right to that 305.67. Let's see. Damn, that was quick. I wasn't expecting that. Jesus. They attacked that one real quick. Nice little bear flag pattern. Let's see. Let's see if we can go for that next leg down, right to my next target. 305.67. Hell, that was quick. SPY guys, watch your level right here, right underneath that 71.82. They starting to cup a little bit. And remember, you're turning support now into resistance for what? The next possible leg down. Respect the setups. Respect it. All right, about to tap the 305.67 on Apple. Let's see. Almost to it. Oh, they bounce. Let's see. It was right by. Should have known it was by sitting right there. All they did, guys, was just touch the bottoms from earlier. Those lows, 305.67. So all they did was just double play that one. That's why I had that line down there. Yep, there goes SPY turning. We got the little cup like we talked about underneath that price point. Aiming down to this area. Going to the lower base of that range. Slow fade, slow fade.
Mood loading 200 tomorrow to get this back to 500, and we start all over again. This is my first blown freaking small port, which sucks.
CLWV, I'm still waiting on this 89 rejection soon. Can I get a red to green on that one? SPY ready to start to turn. Here we go, guys. Downtrend is still commencing. Downtrend is still commencing.
Yeah, this hurts. This hurts a lot.
See if I see anything else, guys. Like I said, if you're on Apple, guys, watch that 305.67. Watch that for that possible push back up. You still got resistance at 306.38. Small little range. Still on the downside though. All right, let me see anything else.
Do I stay here to make 500? I mean, 200 bucks here or 300 bucks? Is it
it's still possible. I mean, everything's still fading. Like you said, if you want to, scalp. I mean, everything. Meta's still fading. Damn near down to 306.02. That's still fading. Nvidia still aiming for that 218. PLTR, little bounce on that one off the 200-day moving average, back up to that 175.16ish area. Little bounce on that one, but let me see if they're gonna create a double top on that. What else we got? AMD still fading. Microsoft. What price point is this? 502. Might get a little fade underneath that VWAP back down. Possibly back down to 500. May see a little green or red on that one. SPY still tanking. Down to 71. Amazon still fading. And Google, hell of a downtrend on that one. Still downtrending. Where we at right now? 348. Still, yeah, that bad boy still fading. Aiming for that, yep, 348 level. Yep, so the market's still weak at this time overall. So don't go against the grain, guys. Just respect the trend right now. It's downtrending. All right. Price point on that one. What was that? 305.67. All right. 67 on that one. All right. Right in this little range here. Apple. From here to here. Oops. What the hell? All right. SPY, you already fell out of your range on that one. Apple, you try to break out of the range, fell right back in the range. So you already know those top areas going to turn back into resistance. So if for Apple, guys, what you want to see, if you are put bias, is you want to see after this bounce, it's a nice little bounce here, rejection right around this area, and then a nice little pullback down is what you want to see. Bias, you need to stay on top if you want to reverse it completely for the move right back up. So watch that level. Tesla still pulling. All right. SPY was still getting weak. Watch a 7150. 7150 on down. NVIDIA alert 218 just hit. Boom. There go your 218, guys. I told y'all gap fill. I called it out this morning. Told y'all you had a possible gap fill on NVIDIA. 218 on down. There you go. Booyah. All right, SPY, what is your next setup? If they do get a little bounce, watch it through 7150. Two key levels here is gonna be from here to right there. Put that red, what a sellers could try to hold. All right. Bam. Be a little section right here to see.
God, I'm looking at the chart and going over the trade today, and the fact that I didn't even see this trap is insane.
Which one, boss?
Just on that 11 o'clock mark. I should have seen that. I can't believe I didn't peep that trap that was being set on the market. I wanted to push up, and I mean there was the volume there, but damn, yep, should have seen it. Should have seen it. Now that I'm like looking at it now, I'm like, oh wow, okay. Everything makes sense now. I got 160 to make, Jay. Let's make something happen. I got 160 to make.
10-4. Set up my alerts real quick. What was that?
I got 150, no, 156. I have $156 to make.
All right, guys, about to go down to that target on the video. I got 1770. 1770 on that. Down to the 1735. Let's see. Right in this little pocket right here. Let's see. In this little pocket.
All out one play. All right. I am reset. No.
You got this. You got this.
No, reset. Oh man, just looking at that contract makes me want to hurl the. My God. Oh, just looking at this. Okay, let's go. Focus back on this. I mean, everything's at a key level right now. Like everything's at a key level.
Yep, guys. Once you hit that area around 1770 on NVIDIA, you will have completed the gap fill. Now, if we do get a little pull underneath that, the next level down is going to be that 35. So watch in between these two areas, 1770 down to 1735. Watch this little pocketed area coming up right here. Now, if these level holds, we could see a possible red to green move if buyers hold this level for the buy back up, right within this little area, this pocketed area. All right, so let's see. Let's see. What else we got? Let me take a closer look at SPY, guys. Let's see what we have right now. What time it is? 56, candle about to close. We may get another red candle coming after this. About 4 minutes. The only way they can save this play, they have to get all the way back on top of 71.82 to 72. If not, you're going to get another pullback coming for the next candle, next hourly candle. So keep that on watch. Cause I see what they doing.
Let me know when SPY touches 771 time.
Yeah, cause I see what they doing. They trying to pull it. They trying to pull right into that demand zone. Watch, guys. Look, you guys see my chart? I'm telling you what they're trying to do. They're gonna try to pull all the way into that demand zone, right to that buy zone. All right, guys. There go your NVIDIA, your 1770 we just talked about. Now watch as we go into this area. From 70 down to 35. Let's see if these buyers gonna try to utilize this area right here. If they utilize it, you should see a possible red to green move.
Brother, the next level here is 770 here.
So SPY, yeah, SPY, we still got pullbacks coming on that one. Oh yeah, we still dumping. That's why I said we pulling down into that demand
Oh
zone.
my God, we should have been printing on the
Yeah,
shorts.
that's what I'm saying. We pull all the way back down into that demand zone. They still got room to fall. Still got some more room to go.
I'm kicking myself right now. Oh, I'm kicking myself on that one.
We got left on this counter 3 minutes. All right. Tesla, how we looking? I think we're gonna get one more pullback on that one too. We'll get another pullback coming on that one down into the 330-ish zone, down to possible 329s. If so, I wouldn't mind that though. Before I pull back on that. SPY, guys, we still falling. Still got room to still come down. NVIDIA, you're already in that zone. Watch this level here. Watch this level. Should be a buying level. Buyers should be trying to come in. Right in this area. Watch right in this little zone. Alright. SPY, we still got a little ways before we go into that demand zone. And then think about it, guys. All you're doing is creating a big ass inverted cup. Look at this. See where all your main strong buys came in at? See the 67s all the way up to the 69.50. See this big area where the buyers bought in aggressively on SPY? Watch as we get closer and closer towards it. Watch. Keep it on watch. Alright, got about 2 minutes. Still got room. Watch as we crack this 71.
Are we below the level? Did we get below?
We're at 71. Right at 71. Possibly aiming for that 70.50. All right, guys, got a minute left. Let's see what happens right here, 71. Let's see, real quick. Watch your 71s. Crack 71. Look for that 70.50. All right, watch right here, 70 real quick, 71. And what I told you guys on the video, buyers are gonna step in where? Right in that green box. Possible setup for a red to green. Alright, SPY still think got a little ways to go.
Bro, I'm coming with vengeance tomorrow. I'm just letting you know.
Alright guys, we're about to close out in roughly 10 seconds. We're gonna be starting a new hourly candle and a new 5 minute. Watch it 71. right about now. All right. The video again. If you're watching on the video, watch your level here, guys. Between 35 to 70. Watch this box. Watch this level to see can you get that push back up. Well, I see a box gonna start to step in soon on that one. All right. SPY still think got a little bit to go. Little bit. Tesla, I'm still waiting on the pullback down towards the 3088. Still waiting on that one. SPY, let's see, can we get the continuation sell-off on that one?
We will, because Google's way below now.
Yep, and like I told you guys, you crack through that 1770 on the video. Watch the next level on down. It's 35. Let's see.
Hey Gina, are you still in your Google? Oh, Gina was in Google before. I hope she got out.
She was on the short side or long side on that?
Yeah, on the short side.
Okay. 10-4.
The moment me and my guys are out, I know that she was in it.
All right, guys, we almost there. We almost getting to it. Almost. Like I said in the video, guys, keep your eyes peeled on this level in this box. Keep your eyes peeled right here. Watch very closely. Very closely. All right.
And Google is selling off like crazy right now. They're attacking and shorting Google.
Right.
You know what the crazy thing is? This morning, all the analysts were saying how strong Disney and Google is going to be today.
They're told opposite, huh?
All the analysts, every analyst was like, Google's a buy, Google's a buy.
All right, here we go, guys. Still pulling SPY. Watch your 71. Get that crack. Watch for your possible area of 70-50. Let's see. Can we get this pull? Let's see. Like I said, guys, if you're long buyers, I mean, allow them to come to you. Well, you're gonna have way more better buying opportunities. So let them come to you. You know, don't stress yourself out. You know, in this type of situation, let them come to you. That's a good thing. Let them pull to you, just like in the video. 70 down to 35. Let them come to you. Don't stress out over this. This is a good opportunity. Let them get oversold. That's good. Let them get oversold. It's a good thing.
Yeah, the fact that, oh my god, look at this drops right now.
Told you. I told you. Boom! I told y'all! Man, stop playing with me. I told y'all, more pullback was coming on Tesla. Pullback coming out. Man, come on, man.
This one was brutal. Not gonna lie, this one hurts. There's no news. There's no crazy news. Like, I just don't understand what this is.
I'm telling you, they propping up for tomorrow for CPI. They doing this on purpose.
I mean, it doesn't. I mean, like, I get it, but then I mean, like, this demand bottom is so much.
Because that means that 9 times out of 10 they're setting up for a stronger push. Oh, they're gonna blast this bad boy. It's like a big rubber band, just steady stretching, pulling. That's all it is.
Nothing but the Iran news. Something happened in Iran. I mean, soldiers died and stuff like that, but there's no market news, so this is insane.
Yep. Because with SPY, all you gotta,
crazy.
yeah, even with SPY, you do is go back. Was that? I mean, all we doing, hardware, right around when it was Thursday, Friday of last week, all we doing is pulling back down to those low key areas. Look at Thursday. Tell me if they're not pulling back to those areas from last week. Friday's lows, Thursday's little area, right into that zone. Right into that zone.
We're really gonna touch 7.
So
The bottom's up 770, 10. Wow, it's nuts.
So guys, let me break it down what I mean. Guys, all they doing, you see the range from Thursday, Friday? All they did was break out of this range, going into this week, and falling 9 times out of 10 right back in this range. All they doing is, that's all they doing. You're breaking out of this area and you're falling right back into this possible area. That's all they doing.
Yeah, look at Palantir though.
Dude, Palantir, yeah, I'm watching Palantir right now. 175.64. I mean, like, these buyers are crazy.
But look, you get what I'm saying, right? If you're looking at my chart, right? You see what you see what yeah, okay, but you see what the 200-day moving average is at, right? Sitting right here where I got my mouse at. On SPY to the top. You see what I'm flashing on?
200?
Yeah, that's the 200. Now, okay, so notice when you was on top of it, right? What did you do? You bounce, overextended, came back down. Bounce, overextended, came back down on the upside, right? What you think is about to happen on the downside? Think about it. If you're if you're underneath the 200-day moving average on the lower area, what do you think they're gonna do? Just like you did the tops, what you think they're gonna do the bottoms?
Oh yeah, bring it down.
They're gonna bring it down and they're gonna ricochet it right back up because they're gonna pull it back up like a magnet. Again, look what happened on the upside of it. You bounced off the 200, you ran up towards 75, you came right back down to the 200 on the upside. Now think about it on the downside, what's gonna happen. See, all they're doing is pulling back down to last week's area. Friday's bottoms, Thursday's area. All you did was break out of this range up and 9 times out of 10 falling right back in this range. But just imagine what the buyer's about to do as we pull back in this area. See, all you're doing is pulling right back on top of this level here. You're pulling right back on top because it's a what? Support. Look what happened last time you was on top of it. You had a strong bounce from where? 69-ish area all the way up to 74. And look what they're doing. You don't think they're about to rinse and repeat that shit again? They'll just pull it down to a psychological area. That's it. That's all they're doing. That's why I said, let them pull back. Let them come. Let that rubber band get set up. And look what I said on the video. What I told y'all. Green box. What I told y'all in the video. Let them pull down to this key area. Watch those buyers step in.
Who are these buyers on Palantir? Like, I don't understand. Who the hell?
Yeah, 8,000. I mean, it's no cool. Out of everybody.
Who's buying this Palantir is my question.
5,000, 5,000, 8,000. It's crazy.
Let me see PLTR. Let me take a look at that one.
Like, I'm like in awe of Palantir right now. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like fixated. Like, I'm like a moth to a flame with Palantir.
Oh, I already see what they're doing. I see what they're doing. Right up to that 176. And watch.
I mean, I need to make $160 right now, and I'm trying to look for one fucking play, and I'm just like fixated on Palantir.
Hopefully it shit drops.
I mean, that's what I'm waiting for.
Lucky. Look at my chart. Look at PLTR. What do you think they
Yeah,
doing?
what's your touch on that?
176. 176. All they doing is push. All they do is bounce up to 200, right up to that trend line, right around 176. See that? Every time you hit that trend line, pull back. So watch if they pushing up to that 176.
Hopefully they
Just watch.
drop it big.
Watch this. You gonna see it. You gonna maybe get a little bit of a bounce, a little push above it, but watch. You gonna possibly, if everything goes according to plan right here, we should be seeing a nice green and red move coming.
I just texted Kyle and them. They're in Palantir.
Yep.
Oh, they're buying it up?
Yep.
Yeah, it was them. Because I saw one of their orders and I was like, why is Palantir just flash? And it was them. All right, makes sense.
Now watch that.
They want to make money back from the loss.
Yep. Now watch it. Watch it that they sell out. Yep. Watch it after they sell out. Watch. Man, I mean, it's just. This shit is just clean and clear cut. All these setups. Now watch this spy. Watch
Is
this.
anybody in Google?
No, Gina, did you get out?
Yeah. Is anybody in Google?
Nope.
No.
I entered again.
For what,
Nvidia.
the short side again?
Yeah, short side again.
Okay, yeah, we're not in Google, so they're in Palantir right now.
Now watch Nvidia. What did we just hit? 75. Like watch. Let's see. So that was the other targeted area. All right. They still pulling. I'm telling you, they gearing up for tomorrow. What's my next level on that? Underneath, down to 1677. They watch this. They gearing up. They gearing up.
$770, 50 incoming.
Watch this. I'm meant to put this box down here. My fault, guys. There we go.
Yeah, they're killing Palantir right now. Holy shit.
What's the target on there?
They said 770. But I mean, I'm like, dude, that's at least they made some of their losses back, which is good.
770.
I mean, oh my god, 177.
Alright guys, target about to hit on spot at 70.50. Almost to that demand zone, guys. We're almost there. Almost there. We cracked this 750. Looking for that pullback down to the 770s themselves. Right down towards 69. Boom. Just aiming right into that box. Right into it. I told you you're gonna fall. All you doing, guys, was falling right back in that range again. That old range we broke out of. Huge inverted cup.
Alright, I'm getting out of my put on spot. Fuck that, I'm taking this profit. I was gonna wait until 770, 10, but I don't care, I'm taking this.
Yep, they gearing up. They definitely gearing up. Alright guys, almost.
Yeah, I got out of my puts as well for SPY.
Yeah, I'm done. I mean, I made a decent money back on it, but oh fuck, dude, it just still hurts. You know what the crazy thing is? We should have been up like fucking $17,000 today. That's what we should have been up.
Alright, that was my Nvidia. That was that 1677 level. Let me see if that was the actual lows from. Let's see. Take another dive.
Just need to make $300 more, and then I'll be happy. Then I'll be back. I'll be back to 900 here. Ah, do I still want to keep shorting those? The question.
Alright. You still got a
Dude,
little bit
meta's
more.
so interesting.
Yeah. Still got a little bit more room to go though, boss. Still a little bit more room. We almost there though. So just be careful chasing these bottoms as you're getting closer and closer.
I mean, if they're done with Palantir, that'd be a good drop.
I just texted them. I was like, "Are you done, or are you guys gonna hit the thing?" They're like, "I haven't responded." They said nope.
Let's see, I'm getting ready for this shit. Let's see. Alright. It's getting there.
Apple's getting weak again. Bro, I really want to dabble in this fucking shorts, but I feel like this is the bottom though. Like we're at the bottom.
we
Got
about
one
there.
on my wrist.
Yeah, we about there. Almost. We got that 70 down into that 69.50 to go. Let's see.
How much red is SPY today? How much did it drop?
From what we started, what it was, what was the opening this morning?
No, what's their percentage to their down today?
We had a what? -2.
Yeah, so that's a pretty big hit for SPY.
Yeah, negative 2.6.
Yeah, that's a pretty big hit. Never mind. Yeah, it's a really big hit.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They trying to go right into that oversold area where they can start buying like crazy. Let's see what's gonna happen as we inching closer. It's getting close. It's getting to it. We about there. But you notice that, Lucky? Even on my chart, all we doing is falling back to last Thursday area. Thursday and Friday area. Right in that green box and right here where this top is, where Friday bounce, we pulling right back to that area. Right here.
I mean, if they stop,
Yeah, that's why I'm watching. That's why I want to see if they're going to start.
stop propping Palantir, it could drop that low.
Yeah, that's why I'm watching to see if they're
Palantir's
going
just holding it up.
Yeah, that's when we pull back down. That's why I want to see if we're going to get this last pullback coming. What time it is right now? 1:16. So I want to see if we get like one more set of pullbacks coming. Like another set.
You know the people that's coming back from lunch right now is fucking going crazy right now.
Oh, yeah? So I think we're going to get one more pullback coming on this bad boy. Right into that zone. And that should be... Because NVIDIA, there go your 1677. Then after from here, I want to see if these buys going to start to buy back up. I want to see if they're going to hold right here. Shoot that last bottom right here.
Nah, Google's still a lot weak. I mean, they're still attacking Google right now.
So you think you go, what's your give and take on NVIDIA? How you think we crack underneath that price point? Cause the lower areas I got is like that way below like 214-ish. Yeah, about 214s.
I mean, this is at key level right now, 21650 area, 21670 area is like the key level. So
Wait, are they gonna do what I think they're gonna do? Hold on, let me recalculate this. Hold on. I'm talking about the video. They're gonna do what I think they're gonna do.
these are the lunch people. I mean, let's see, I'm just curious if they're gonna buy these levels back up here. I mean,
Who's the high on that? What was this? I'm curious. Spy, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Not yet, not yet.
gosh, it fucking hurts. Oh, God, I finally looked at my P&L. Oh man,
Not yet, not yet.
I'm mad. I am mad. Hey, Lucky, they're out of Palantir.
Let me see.
Good. I want to short it.
Alright, let's see. We hit
Meta is holding. Do you guys think that Meta can go down? Meta is really holding well, like it's consolidating in that range. But do you guys think that it can go down?
Well, I mean, if Meta goes down 600 is going to be the next support area.
Spot, not shit. Not yet.
Okay,
You
thanks.
still have $3 to go down.
Hope this is a fake out for another harder pull.
Okay.
Not yet, not yet. A net Chile ML.
I mean, the only way I know the market's gonna buy back up is if Google just starts rebouncing. That's the only time I'll be 100%.
Not yet, not yet.
I mean, but right now lunchtime people are coming back in, so that's why this buy up just happened right now.
Yeah, I still think we're gonna get a little bit more. So I'm waiting on it to see can we get another, just one more.
So Google is like one of your number one indicators that the SPY.
I mean, right
So
now
I quit.
there were so many people in Google earlier, all the big players. So I'm just seeing if they buy this level back up. I know market people are buying.
Okay.
But for Google, the actual like clean move ends at around 343.28, around that, right?
Hold on, I have it on my other. So Google right now. Hold on a second.
Yeah, chart queen, be careful as we bounce back up right in this little zone right here. Be careful.
So Google is 341, Gino.
341.
Yeah.
Okay.
Moves down.
How did they come up with that number? Oh, now I can see how did they come up with 341.47.
Right in this little
Yeah, they're around
That's the
there.
bounce rate, yes.
Yep, you see it? See that area?
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah, chart queen, be careful. These tops right here, because this again, you're underneath that strong support. Well, now they're trying to possibly reverse it. So I still think that SPY still got a little ways to. I don't think it's over yet. I don't think it's over just yet. I'm gonna keep it on watch though. We'll see though. We'll see. I know you're trying to push it up. I know you're trying to push it up right towards this zone right here. Just watch it. I mean, you taking that scalp on this right here. I mean, cool. Just watch it though.
These are all the lunchtime people right now. Guarantee you. God, I just need to make $300 more and then I'll be okay. $300 more and I'll be okay. 300 bucks more, and then I could breathe a little easy. Damn, I can't even get fucking, I'm full hoarding on this. Alright, look at that. Instant up and then they sold everything.
Yep. That's why I told her to be careful right there. Just be careful right in this little spot.
Instant up and they sold everything.
What else were we looking at? Oh, the video. So we was watching. Did he start at, yep, there you go. Right in that little box.
There could be a nice little bounce play. I mean, it can happen though. It could happen. I'm not falling for it though. I'm not gonna jump on this one. Not yet. Come on. What is Amazon doing? Amazon. Okay. Support, not below support. Meta might be failing one more leg. Amazon will be failing one more leg. Dude, Tesla's a beast though. Tesla's just holding this 331 level like a boss though. Shit.
Yep, right towards my bottom. Yeah, right towards this little bottom area. Oh, I got Tesla twice. My bad.
I mean, you see Tesla's holding pretty
still holding
strong.
Yeah, still in that little bottom area. Like I said, Tesla, to me, Meta and Tesla still has the one with a lot of potential with those gap fills. got a potential. Yep. Chart Queen, watch this little top area right here, Queen. Just watch right around the 71.
RSI right now is literally all at middle point everywhere. I mean, the only thing that's up is on Palantir. I mean, RSI if RSI on Google builds up to like 35, I mean, we're seeing some crazy little bounce. I mean, RSI on Apple is 45 right now. Meta 45. I mean, freaking Palantir 60.
Alright, I got puts.
Alright, Jay, what trade did you just get into?
That was my phone. That wasn't my phone did that. Somebody sent me out an alert.
Sure.
No, that's my.
Yeah, right.
They don't know. No, y'all know how that sound on TOS versus that.
Yeah, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, y'all know how that crap sound. It don't sound nothing like that.
Secret trader.
I know you ain't talking. You left me hanging on what it was CLW snuck in on me.
He hopped into that AI trading platform.
All this self snitching, man. Y'all gotta quit all this snitching. It's not good. But nah, I'm still waiting because I still think that I'm watching the 71 to see because I still think I want to see can we get that last pullback. That's why I'm watching the 71. See if we get one more pullback down on this. Cause I'm curious. Not yet. I haven't jumped in nothing yet. Cause what time it is? 1:27. Cause you already know, especially want to see what the hell they're gonna do in Power Hour, because you know how they like to do. So what I'm expecting them to do right now, before Power Hour, was continuously fade it, and then once Power Hour hit, I want to see how they're gonna play off of it. So I want a continuation fade before Power Hour, just to see what they're gonna do or what's their game plan from there. So 71 pullback, just like I was anticipating on that one. See can they hold it, then fall back down. Tesla, I'm still anticipating a pullback on that one too. Alright, so far everything going according to plan, slowly. Alright, Spy, keep them underneath. Cause I know Chart Queen was going long. My bad, I don't mean to go against you. My fault, Chart Queen. It's all love. Chart Queen, don't you dare do it. Chart Queen, don't you dare. Don't you dare. Better be like Elsie on Frozen, let it go. Don't you mess up my game plans. Don't you do this. What time we got left? 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Still underneath. All right, stay underneath. Tesla, give me a nice little pullback on you. Come out of this little range for a quick little dip. All right, Spy, cool. Stay underneath. Keep trapping them. Count about to close out in 5 seconds. Right about now. Perfect. Boom. All right. Cool. Right, I need my little red zone right here. Keep them trapped. Keep them trapped. Keep them trapped. Keep them trapped. Sorry, Sean Queen. Sorry. Take out 70-50 back down. Come on. Take out 70-50 back down. Come on, come on. Shaw Queen, don't you mess up my play. Don't you do this. Slow and steady, slow and steady, slow and steady. All right, upper shadow on Tesla, good. That's what I want on YouTube. Stay underneath. You stay underneath too. All right, perfect, perfect, perfect. Keep trapping them, keep trapping them, keep trapping them. There we go. Keep trapping them, keep trapping them. Perfect. All right, let me go back out a little bit, guys, so y'all can see what I'm anticipating and what I'm hoping for them to do. All right, let me break it down what I want them to do, because I know a lot of them still trying to go long, but I don't want them to do it yet. All right, I want them to get trapped underneath the 71. Why? Because if you go back a little bit, this level was a strong support. Now I wanted to turn to strong resistance right here. So all I did was take this area where we had the strongest bounce. Now I wanted to turn to resistance for a pull right back down to the 79, 70, 79s. So in other words, I just want them to rotate from here all the way back down this way. That's what I want. And that's what they're trying to do. Slowly. Slowly, slowly. Great, there we go. Alright, come on, sellers. I need you to come a little bit more aggressive. A little bit more aggressive to get away from that area. Come a little bit aggressive. Come on. I don't need no consolidation and y'all playing around this area. Let it. I need y'all to attack hard. As far as the video, guys, I had kind of seen something else in the video where if we could crack this 1672 level, we do have room to possible. There's a possibility down to 215 or 214. So Spy just want this trap right here to stay right where it's at. Keep trapping them. I want them to wear crap out these buys right here. Don't give them no reason to bounce back up. I'll break right through it. I want them to keep getting stalled out right here. I want them to wear them out. Like I said, Tesla, still watching that because I'm expecting another. I'm anticipating a pullback back down. Still waiting on that one. There we go with NVIDIA, guys. Waiting for that break right through this little zone here on that one. So everything is taking place so far slowly. Tesla pullback, great. NVIDIA pullback, great. SPY slowly pulling back. Because I don't think it's over yet. Not yet, not yet. Come on, buddies. go, man. Ah, I hate these freaking bars. Hope this is a massive trap for y'all asses. I hope y'all get trapped. I really do. I hope y'all get trapped.
All right, Jay, come on, pump this up, Jay.
I ain't buying that shit. I want the trap. I want the buyers to get caught right here. That's what I want. I want the buyers to get stuck and yank them. Cause they messing my game plans up. Damn impatient buyers.
I mean, Meta had a nice bounce though, man. That was a pretty strong bounce on
Yeah,
Meta.
plan bump that. I hope they get trapped right here. I don't care. I'm still sticking to my game plan. Hope they get trapped. I ain't switching. Nope. There we go. Punk asses. Get trapped. Get trapped. Get trapped. Get trapped.
I mean, they need SPY above 171.25 here though.
Come on. Hope you buys get trapped right here. Trap y'all asses. I mean, I want longs, but I don't want it right now. No. Still too early. All these early buys jumping in. Look at that. Getting trapped. See? See? Should have listened. Should have just waited, like I told y'all. Now your ass got trapped. Don't listen. That's what you get. Bam! Boom! Don't listen. That's what you get for being hard heads.
I don't know why, but a lot of people want. I don't see it happening right now, but
It's too early. It's too early for this
hey,
shit.
what is this? What did they say? 771.20. No, that's crazy.
No,
Ain't
man, it's
way.
too it's too early for this. They still got more pullback coming. Not going against my game plan. No. Still expecting more pullback. Nope. Sticking to it. Nope. And there go Tesla. Pullback. Good. Exactly what I want.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy though. Volume on Amazon though, out of nowhere. That is kind of nuts though. It's Meta didn't blow past their support area. Meta has to blow past 606.75.
Yeah, it's still,
that's pretty hard right now.
The way everything's setting up is still not time yet. They jumping in too early. They still doing this shit too early. On the buying side, it's too early. That's why I keep getting trapped. Still, it's too early. That's why now you see a red candle in it as. See? Too early. I tried to tell them it's too early for this. You gonna learn today.
I think there should be a big drop in path here coming soon.
Are we still fighting that price point, boss? We talked about was that 176?
Yeah, hit 176.
Yeah,
It's at 176 right now.
Okay. Yep, SPY still not time for that. No, it's not yet, man. Still got room to still pull back to these key areas. No.
You think CPI is gonna pop the market, pop it up?
They gonna try to. The way they setting up right now, they prepping up for it. They prepping up for it, for a bounce. Cause like cause I'm so used to saying this before, like CPI data. What they'll normally do is they'll normally drop it. They'll get it to an oversold position. They normally always do this. Not all the time, but sometimes they'll do this. They'll drop it low, get to a low bargaining area, get into a good buying area, and then they'll like slingshot it right back up. That's why I'm just basically waiting to see. I'm waiting on SPY through this little level here to see if they're gonna keep stalling them out. And then let's see. Right here, I'm just watching. Tesla, like I told you guys, I was waiting for more pullback on Tesla, back down to the 330s. Yeah, SPY trying to push it, but I want to see.
I mean, like I said, the pushers are trying to reach for a 771.50. I mean, that is a pretty bold target though. At this point, it's going to be hard as hell.
That's exactly my point. Exactly.
I mean, if someone comes in with multiple freaking buy orders everywhere, I mean, it could happen.
Yeah, yeah. But big buy. Yeah, and I agree with you on that. I agree. But the way everything's setting up right now, like you were saying, it's gonna be tough and tougher. All they doing is putting themselves into a bigger trap for a harder pull coming. That could occur. So, I mean, again, got everything still turning. Nvidia still turning back down. Tesla still turning back down. It's like no strength right now. But like you said, if a big buy come out of there, it's a big difference. But they're trying to go right to this 200.
I'm surprised after my guys left Palantir that it was still holding steady. I'm kind of shocked, to be honest.
Let's see. Trying to go up to this 20 moving average. I just want to see what time we got. It's 4 minutes. Let me see what's about to happen. All right, let's see. Run up to the next resistance right above their head.
Wow, they're actually buying this shit up.
Yeah, they buying it. They just
It's kind of fucking nuts, actually.
It's gotta mess everything up, man.
I mean, I saw someone Meta fucking come in. I'm not gonna lie. Kind of rode Meta up a little bit. So as soon as I saw that buy, and did a little scalp on it.
Man, they just can't help themselves.
God, fucking still sucks. Hurts for my small part. Jesus Christ, that fucking hurts. Yo, Lucky, you see the buy orders on Palantir, how much it's dropped and slowly it's building back? Like Palantir's crazy.
Still wish I would have caught them lows before that blast. Boy. Primo and his lucky girlfriend. They killed that shit. Huh? Who's she calling baby? Huh? Shark Queen, man. you just can't give it to me, huh? Just gotta be selfish to take yours, huh? That's what we doing. Shout out to you though. I give it to you. Shout out to you. Touche. Shark Queen, touche. Alright, you got that one. I'll give you that one. Alright. 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 I'm gonna get you though, Charlie Queen. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I wanted it all the way back down for all of us so we can have a good opportunity, but you just couldn't let it couldn't wait, huh? Up 7K, shout out to you. I gotta give love to the Charlie Queen, shout out to you. Now that you got the 7K, can I have it back, please? Can I have it back, please? Nah, shout out to you though.
Jay, get ready for the next. It's gonna be a pretty interesting movement coming up here.
Yeah, I'm waiting on it. I'm waiting for that push because they do have room to push back the 7150 up to that 7182. That's gonna be that next little resistance up here.
If they reject here, it's gonna be reject 27 70 50.
Okay. Yeah. So now that somebody messed my game plan up, I gotta wait for a little higher push. I mean a little higher little area now. Somebody messed it up for me. Thanks. So selfish. Just couldn't help myself.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna come back with vengeance tomorrow.
Oh man, what? Me too. I'm with you.
Bro, I'm like, I'm probably not gonna sleep now.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is now that somebody messed it up for me, and I was wanting this area to hold, now I gotta wait for these higher areas up here. So I gotta reset on this because somebody couldn't help themselves. See how it is, though, Charlie Queen. I see how it is. I thought we were better than that. That's cool. Now you gotta make me wait longer. Thanks. So selfish. Yeah, so guys, normally when I see a move like this and it goes against my area I wanted, I gotta wait for a little bit of a higher area where it's gonna have another resistant areas a little bit higher. Couldn't help myself. Selfish.
The contracts even move up on the bounce, so I didn't see the spots.
Let me double check. No, let me go to it because last time I checked it, I didn't see like big movements on them. Like it was like barely moving. Let me double check. Nah, they might not moving a lot. Nah. Few cents up.
Amazon's building up a little steam. AMD is above VWAP right now.
Charlie Queen, see what you started?
I mean, look, if the retail sector picks up steam here, this might be a little interesting zone. I'm not gonna bullshit you. If this does get a push to 7150, I mean this is
yeah. Like the levels, like I said, I have is up to the 7150 up to that 7182.
Oh, if we could touch back down here though, just touch.
That's what I was trying to do. Yeah, that's what I was waiting for. These pullback just.
SPY could just touch back down to 775. Oh, that'll be the best gift right now.
Sean Quinn, why you just gonna let me have it? I was just so close to my area. It's just why?
I should have taken a stab at when it
Yeah,
was
yeah.
775.
We might get a chance before 2 o'clock.
Yeah,
We'll see.
Tesla's still pulling back. I mean, still fading.
Apple faded
Apple faded. No, there was a huge selling on Apple.
Yeah. So still, Tesla still ain't breaking, so that's still fading down to where I needed to. Yep. Then it gapped down a little bit. So.
Actually, that was a huge seller on Apple. I don't know who that was, but damn, they offloaded. They said, let me get out.
Chuck Queen, I can't stand you, seriously.
Oh my god, can't even do that. Can't even do that, never mind.
Thanks.
God, what a day. What a horrible day. What's today's date, the 11th?
Yeah, 11.
I'm gonna write this on my chart. I'm gonna write this, what happened today, that's for sure. Today's gonna be an angry journal. God, I don't even want to know how much that short costs.
Yep. Sean Queen, you owe me steak, lobster. Owe me the finest.
Alright, CPI is what, 8:30, right? Tomorrow?
Yeah,
8:30?
Yeah. Can we get back these 70s back down? Can we get another?
I mean, the lunch people fucking did their work, though.
Yeah, no, they did. I give them that. So you think it's 2 o'clock rolling? You think we get that little, like a little fade off at 2 o'clock, and then power hour get that reverse back up?
I mean, that's what I mean. 2 o'clock should be the fade.
Yeah, the fade. Yeah, 2 o'clock
100%.
fade. Yeah.
2 o'clock. I mean, like I'm like about to enter a put here soon, coming up, but I'm just scared of these volumes. I mean, the RSI is on the upper bands on everything right now. SPY RSI is upper band, Amazon. I mean, the only thing that's not is Apple right now, technically. I mean, like, AMD is still above VWAP right now, and it's 58. Yeah, it's 58% right now. So it's still. I mean, buyers are in control in that.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
I'm just looking for Google right now. If Google fades below 30% here, then yeah, I mean, we're about to fade down.
Let me see, how far can we pull on that one? Let me see. Google. All right, Google. Let's see. Underneath that 345. With Google, do you think we get, if we do lose that 45, think we get a nice fade down toward that 340?
No, I mean Google.
Yeah, Google. Like 345 down?
I forgot. Gina, I told you the level. I forgot what the level was.
Like 340, 250, 340, something like that.
341, around 50. I don't know the last number except
Yeah, 341. 341 is the support.
All right, close enough. All right, cool. All right, it's around my area. That's about right. Yep, so one more fade. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. I see the setup you're talking about. Yep. I see exactly the setup you're talking about.
Damn, dude, fucking, I don't know where this volume is coming from. I mean, Amazon's strong, I mean, AMD, but sheesh. This is seriously tempting me again.
Alright, let's see what 2 o'clock brings.
Oh man.
That's our first bounce. So first little bounce, little 1 o'clock bounce. All right.
I'm tired of these thunders. Like,
Yeah, I know.
don't
Like I said,
lately-
it was like that over here the other day.
Bro, I just like this whole week has been like thundering, humid. I hate it.
Alright, let's see what we get. I want a hard pullback. I want a hard, just a good fake out. And I'm ready. Boy, I got it ready. Tomorrow's what, 12, right? Yeah, 12. Let me have some smock. Matter of fact, also, let me see how Tesla's setting. I'm going into tomorrow as well. Let me see Tesla as well. Tesla. Looking at Meta too, because Meta can still push. I mean, the gap up. Let me see Tesla though. Okay.
I'm gonna get something really quick to eat, but just at me or tag me, Jay, if it shoots below or something.
Gotcha. Yes, sir. Gotcha. All right, Tesla. Bottoms. Bear. Let me see. Red candle for right now for the day. They need to get back above what price point? 33.73. Because I still think, guys, I ain't gonna lie to you, I still see so much potential on Tesla. Well, I still think that bad boy can go for that hard push. I'm just watching this setup. I'm looking at it on my daily real quick. I'm just trying to see. Because I know right now, because again, I want the pullbacks. I want to pull back to those lows. And I want that nice bounce right back up. So I'm expecting some more pullback on that one. I want to see. I'm still anticipating these hard pullbacks down to these bottoms too. Because overall, we still got a downtrend setup still, guys. So I'm anticipating pullbacks into some certain key areas I need. Tesla, I know what areas I need on you. Could I add this level 2, maybe? Or will I be overdoing it? Where's this open at? Man, spot close to each other. Let me see something. Let me add another line. I want to see something. I mean, it have to be a hell of a pull though. If it's gonna catch this level that I see as well. Let me see, what is that? 28.58. There we go. 28.58 on you. Let's see. 28.58. I want to see if they're going to buy it like all these areas. I want all these bought up areas. Yep, there go Tesla. Yep, giving that pullback. Yep, so I want this to crack. I want them to buy up all these areas. Y'all gonna see what I'm doing. And I'll break it down on what I'm doing. So I got about 3 areas in mind. I see one good bottom, then some safety nets. If I can get it up, once they come out of this consolidation. All right, where's this high day? All right, I might even move this one over a little bit. All right, high day. 3205. Alright, 3205 on you. 3205. Alright. And the all-time high day is 3620. Alright, I'll use 3620. 3620. Alright, cool. So, game plan for Tesla from here. Because they already bought up 29. That already hit. So, the only areas I see at this moment, you know, buy-up-wise, is back down to the 3088s. 29 already hit though, so the buys already bought all that up. I don't know if we're gonna go all the way back down to those bottoms. See, that's the thing. So I see 3088 for sure. Back down to that area. So where we at right now? Almost buy it. You have a good one, Queen, and congratulations. Shout out to you. Congratulations, man. Thank you so much for coming through. Y'all get some love to Char King. Shout out to you, Queen. And shout out to the team, guys. Shout out to the team. Yeah, amazing work, amazing work. So all I'm doing, guys, like I said, what I'm doing and how I'm doing this right now is I'm looking for what I've been doing so far. I'm working on a swing trade. So all I'm doing is trying to calculate everything right now. Because I mean, I caught the swing trade yesterday, so I caught the gap up. So all I'm trying to do right now is just understand this level right here, because I want to see if we can pull back down to 3388, down to that 329. Because I want to see something. And SPY, I'm still waiting on that drop back down, which here we go, 2 o'clock. So I'm still anticipating that one. Pull back down into those low key areas back down this way, because I want a hard pull. I want a hard pull on that one. All right, we are falling back down right now, right back underneath that level here, guys. We are falling back underneath, so that's key for more pullback if you do want to go for the put side. Watch that level here. Stay underneath that. Was that 71? Stay underneath 71. We don't want to see a bounce. We want to close underneath it successfully, because again, our targets are back this way. 70, 50s, down to the 70 area itself. So I'm just watching to see, because I know right now Tesla's still going sideways. Still going sideways, because I'm watching 2 specific areas in mind. All I'm trying to do right now is calculate this. Now I'm gonna tell you why I'm trying to calculate this, because I was talking to Miss Bernice about it. Oh, Jesus. God. Okay. The reason why I'm so calculated, I'm doing a small account challenge. Y'all don't even want to know why I started. Don't even ask. Don't even freaking ask me. So I got to be, right now, in my position, I have to calculate everything right now. So I did bring my small account up just a little bit due to the gap up I had this morning, due to the swing trade. So that worked out. And the way and the route that I have to go is a slow, steady climb. And y'all don't want to know why I started it. And the reason why, because I had a trader reach out to me yesterday, doing my in my IG, you know, and we broke down their story, told me what they were going through, and I was like, you know what, let me see if I can do this, because I mean, it was like I could say in a depression, but they was going through a lot. So I was like, let me just try to boost their confidence up by letting me go through it. So I'm doing it. And I'm not saying what I started with. I'm not going to even say. It's low. Very low. So that's why I have to calculate every trade that I'm doing until I get enough cushion where I can go a little crazy. Because one wrong move can blow up this account. So let me say. calculate every freaking thing. Come on, Spider, give us the pullback. So that's why I'm trying to do a lot of swing trades to pick it up. Alright, let me go to my 1 hour. Let me see how I'm looking on Tesla real quick. Come on, Spot. I just want that fake out pullback, man. And again, I'm doing this for a fellow trader that was going through a lot. That's the reason why I'm doing it. Just to help. Apple below 305.67, guys. My alert just went off on Apple. Alert just went off on that one. Yep. So there go that curl down on that one. So that one fell. What's the next level down on that one? 305 down to the 304.61. So that one already started. That cup already happened on that one. I'm still waiting on this pullback. Oh boy. Alright, there go Tesla pulling. Alright, come on Tesla. Give me that pull. Give me that pullback down. Give me that pullback. Give me that pullback. I'm waiting on you. Spy, I'm still waiting on you too. I need this 2 o'clock pullback. 2 o'clock pull. 2 o'clock pull. I'm not jumping on Tesla just yet because I'm just waiting for it to come out of this range. Spy, I'm anticipating this yank come on down, so I might do a quick one on that one. Let me see what time it is. Let me stay underneath it. So I'm gonna have to put it like this, guys. I got to scalp like crazy. Just to build his account. I got to scalp like crazy. Cause y'all gonna literally curse me out if I told you where I started. Y'all gonna be like, Jay, what the? Alright, so getting the pullback I was anticipating. Alright, down to the 70.50. There we go, Tesla pullback finally occurring. Finally on that one. Tesla Spy. I cannot blow up this account. So it's a lot of pressure on me. Put it like this. A lot of pressure on me. Y'all gonna call me insane.
Damn it, Jay, you're supposed to tag me.
We didn't, which was what price point? I was looking for the 70.50. Back down. I was waiting for the crack underneath this level. Stay underneath for a further pullback.
I mean,
yeah, I'm waiting for a further pullback right here.
771.
Yeah, I'm waiting for a further pullback down. Underneath, I want to make sure this candle. Yeah, I'll make sure this candle stays underneath, so we can get a further pullback.
I mean, we should.
Yeah,
definitely.
I was waiting for this candle to close to make sure we want to go stay on top of it. I was waiting for a further pullback, like this. Yeah, that's what I was waiting on. Getting that confirmation. That's all I was waiting on. There we go. Cause this candle about to close out.
I missed out on some money, man.
I was getting you confirmation. Cause you know if we stay underneath this, more pullback is coming, even lower. All right, here we go, guys. Here we go.
Damn it, I really wanted to fucking get it when it was like at 7, yeah, I mean like 771.10 below, but it's all good.
Yeah. So I think now that we underneath this main area that's not holding no more, I think this should be should be getting this next fade. All right, here we go, guys. Coming up in about 20 seconds. Next candle coming. There we go. Got the right candle. Oh yeah, I do got the right one. I'll take the hell. Wait. Oh boy. All right, guys. 5 seconds. Next candle. 5 seconds. After this one closes, Next one should be trying to work his way down to that 70-50 after this. So we can get a little bounce, still a little rejection after this. Let's see. A little bouncing up the rejection. Let's see, let's see. Damn, look at Apple. Already hit mother alert. Jesus. God dang, look at Apple selling off. Holy crap. Apple's on that nice sale. Trying to catch these damn bottoms on this contract.
Okay, since I'm back to normal, like I'm back to like square one on the small port. Do the small port challenge starting tomorrow.
All right. 500 or 400, something like that.
No, I mean I'm gonna reload. I'm gonna reload 200. I mean I'm at 480, so I'm trying to do one more trade just to get it to 5 right now. But just get it going. Just do a 500 for this week and next week.
Okay. All right, pull back up. Let's see, little trap. Damn, boy, Apple almost down to those lows of what's the lows I got on this one? They're almost to 304.60. Almost. Tesla and give me my pullback. Freaky Tesla. They gave me my pullback on that one. Still waiting on that. It's all good.
Freaking AMD retracing back up.
Yeah, I know it, man. I'm surprised you didn't catch that drop on Apple. That was, phew. Let's see, AMD. Yeah, still got this little curl fighting with that, what price point is that? Almost that, what, 472? 472 level?
God, man.
Alright, come on, Sprite.
Yo, this bounce back's gonna be fucking lovely. I can't wait.
Oh, what? Man, you ain't land on that one.
Bro, I can't wait for this bounce back. I mean, hold on, let me just check something real quick. I mean, you're gonna call me crazy, right? But
I got Tesla.
actually, like, yeah, you're gonna call me crazy, but I want 766.
Hell no, I don't call you crazy. 766, cool. Shit, I'll go with you.
I want 766 one day to just recalibrate this whole entire freaking crazy level, and then maybe touch 760, and then we bounce all the way back up to 766. I mean, I'm asking for the world on that, but I mean, if you really think about it, Jay, from 768, I mean, from 768 to 760, that $8 huge gap right now, that does need to get filled.
Let me see. Let me take a look at it.
If you look back from August 4th, that huge gap, right?
Are you looking on your pop? Are you looking on the daily or the 5?
On the 5.
Okay, 5.
So my analyst just sent me something right now, and she just sent me from August 4th that huge gap up all the way up to 774.
Yeah,
right?
I see it. Yep.
But if So what we're planning is for 766, 767 touch, and then we have a huge gap fill to 760. So it's still a $6 drop on top of it.
I see it.
So if CPI data does fuck up and they go, oh, it's not going to be really good. I mean, we're literally touching 766 zone anyway. So this might retest to 764. So we'll see. I mean, tomorrow. I mean, if that's the case, Jay. Oh my God, if that's the case. We just wait for a $4 more drop and ride this back up. I mean, the bad news on top of that is if that's the case, we're retouching back to 750 zones too after that. So. I mean, that's just a report that I just got sent right now.
All right.
Hell yeah, we need to drop.
I mean, that would make sense though. I mean, I get it.
No. That honestly makes 100% sense.
Yeah, that makes a lot
I
of
mean,
sense.
this is why they get paid fucking so much money to do analyst work, and then, but I'm just sharing it with you guys right now.
But is this the same analyst that talked about Amazon today?
No. This is they're from JP. But if you really think about it though, that from August 4th, I mean, that gap up was a little too harsh, you know what I mean? That was crazy. Wait, what was August 4th? I mean, I know that's like last week or so, but
Talking about
what
like
was
data-wise,
that?
like earnings or something? No. August.
No, it wasn't earnings. What was the 4th? I don't. My God, my weeks are a blur. Was that this?
Tuesday? I don't know what happened Tuesday.
Let me go back a little bit. I go to my
What was Tuesday?
Let me go back on my calendar. 4th, yeah, last Tuesday, August 4th.
Yeah.
What did we have last?
Monday and Tuesday had the huge climbs.
Was that not the data? I mean, the earnings that came out last week. Let me see if I got.
I don't know why, but I don't have my economic notes for the 4th. What the hell happened on the? What's on?
Yeah, I'm trying to go back to see if I can bring it back
What
up.
the hell was on the 4th? That was on the
Matter of fact,
Tuesday.
let me see. Did I post anything in the Discord where I was posting up different economics? Let me see. Economics for the 4th. Economic.
I mean, I know on the 5th was the PMI numbers. That's about it.
What the fuck was it? Yeah, I'm trying to go back to see.
Fourth was premium posted at Apple, eating the apple.
I know, but like what was earnings on that too? Let me look my earnings calendar.
Go to it.
On the 4th was DraftKings. I mean, yeah. I mean, no. Wait, that's August.
AMD SpaceX.
Okay.
Alright.
So that was AMD. That was a chip. Okay. That makes sense.
SpaceX dump.
At least the analyst sent me exactly what the big boys are planning. So, all right. So Jay, we might get our wish for more downtrend. So,
All right. That'll work.
we won't have to worry.
That'll work.
Oh, dude, I just sent my analyst exactly what happened today, and then I asked her to give me the numbers if I was on the right direction, and I'm about to fucking punch the wall. I'm not gonna lie. Bruh, this small port right now at 2,300, and if I would have just figured out this trap and did the short on it, oh my god, we would be up 18,000.
Oh shit, what happened to Oracle? Oracle got a tornado away?
I don't know. Oracle right now, Oracle's in Wizard of Oz land right now. He's looking for Toto.
Fucking clicking his red Jordans together?
Where's our good luck snoring, Sean?
Nah, don't call his name, dude.
I ain't saying, that's why I ain't say nothing. The good luck snowing, Sean.
Yeah, what happened to his fucking planes, man? I wonder if he got green and red. That guy.
I heard.
No, I mean, he should have been red on that one.
Apple,
play and then go to sleep.
Yeah, Apple, we hit the 304.61. 304.61, we still got that pull on SPY. Boom. Keep going, baby. Yeah. Let's go, let's go. Keep going, keep going.
So you're gonna start it tomorrow?
Yep. Pull back, baby. Yeah, yeah. Patience pays off, guys. I told y'all. Patience pays off.
I will do the small account challenge with you.
I'll be too.
Everyone you enter.
Huh?
Yeah, right, Gina? Yeah.
Wait, what happened? I missed it.
I will do that small account challenge with you. I will enter in everyone you enter.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, we're restarting it from ground zero, so.
Do we have to make it 500 or can it be?
No, you can do whatever you want. You can make it 300, 200, whatever you want.
Okay, no, I think
But then, like,
500.
you're not going to be able to, like, get, like, the contract levels that I'll be jumping into, but, you know?
Awesome.
Hey, so what's the price, huh? Huh, you gotta put a price for the group.
Whoever gets the most?
Yeah.
Yeah, the reward is your game.
That was good.
Greedy? Oh, of course it would be lucky, but like, what else would you get? I'm like, how much you up? Oh, I'm like 1,200, and you want a reward?
Love and support.
Your password to the black market.
Yeah. Password to all the information that you guys want.
Aussie, did you catch the put on that one on SPY underneath?
No, sir. Nope. I'm waiting until tomorrow.
You know what? Actually, I just the prize is I'll buy a $20 Powerball ticket for you guys, and then if you win, it's yours.
The Powerball's up quite high, isn't it?
I mean, I just like went through my news feed, and then it says Powerball jackpot just hit 1 billion.
That's just so rigged.
Here we go, guys.
Dude, 100%.
Here we go, guys. SPY. Here we go. Right back down to these lows. Let's see, can we get that 70 areas? Remember, I told you us coming back down to that demand zone. Let's see, can we finally get that 2 o'clock pull all the way to the areas that we were anticipating? Here we go.
Does anyone here know anyone who actually won a lot of?
Nope.
My mom won back in the day. She won 3,000. That's about it.
You know what's the one thing I've ever won, and it's like forever ingrained. You know, long time ago, when McDonald's had the monopoly, they still have it, but.
I remember that.
Oh yeah, I used to be buying McDonald's to get those fucking cards.
So when I was I forgot, when I was like 13, 14 years old, I was just craving French fries. So I went to McDonald's and I bought like this is like the super size back in the days, okay? Like the super size fries, remember that? How big those were?
Yeah. Yep, and had those little
And
things
then,
to peel
It
off.
was big as a drink.
Yeah, dude, this was huge. So I got one of them, and then I ripped the little ticket off, and that's when I won like a 55-inch TV. Like, but this was like back in the day, so it was like the huge freaking heavy
Oh, the tube TV. I remember those things.
TV. Oh my god. Like that was like the scratch and win lotto.
All right, guys. For those who missed the first pullback off of this one, let's see can we get a little bounce back up to resistance and go for that next leg down. So see can we get this continuation sell off. So we got the first pullback shot of the yellow on that one. Cool. Tesla, I'm
I
still
hate
waiting.
you, Jay. Jay, you should have fucking called. You should have attacked me earlier.
I was trying to get the confirmation. They want us to get trapped.
Nah, dude. I told you the moment it falls below, tag me, and you just didn't do it.
What had happened was...
I see how you work, Jay. I see. Okay.
What had happened was...
Yeah, what
What
happened was what? What happened was what?
Hey, what's every male sound effect when we were guilty? Huh? Huh?
Huh?
That's when they know them females got us. Huh? You heard me. If you huh, you can hear. Alright guys, let's see if we get this little bounce real quick off of this 70-50. Get a little 70-50 bounce back up right into resistance, and let's see can we continue for the next leg. Let's see. Quick little scalp on that one. Tesla finally getting the pullback, finally, to the areas I was anticipating. Finally getting out of this little chop zone. Finally.
How far can Apple go? Wow.
I told you I was gonna drop. I had my price points. I told you it was down to like the area I called. I was 304. We still dropping. Where we at now? Oh damn, we're in the 303s. Jesus. What's the next level on that one? Let me take a look at Apple.
Dude, the stock should be falling more than
Yeah, right here. Yeah, right here. Yeah, I was waiting on this. There we go.
Stock should be falling down just a tad bit more.
Yep, my target area is 70s down to the 69.50. Let me see what Apple.
Dude, Apple. I mean, do I even want to look at Apple?
Shit,
right now?
Google's
Like,
still
how much-
dumping toward there. We talked about 345. We're right to that area. Yeah, Apple, man. Yeah, you. Yeah, you don't want to see Apple. You would have killed today. You'd have been done.
I just don't. I mean, I kind of low key want to know what the contract price movements were, but
Next area I got is from that 302.50s down to the 300s on that one.
God, I tried to scalp this. It didn't even fucking let me fill. Oh my god. I was gonna short spy right there, and it just didn't let me fill.
And there go Tesla. Look at that Tesla pullback. Ooh, pulling. Right, now we're getting our 2 o'clock pullbacks, guys, and we anticipated.
But we talked about this, right? Remember? At 2 o'clock, after the 2 o'clock, it's gonna be the nice little dip.
Yep. And Apple.
I'm not in this right now. I was gonna get the 769s at 20 cents, and it just didn't let me fill. Fucking story of my life today. Like today is like just today's brutal.
Yep, guys, and there go your dump right into that demand zone, into that green box. There you go.
Today is fucking brutal.
Just like we said, we was anticipating. Apple 302.50 down to possible 300s. That continues. Tesla, we finally hit my 3088 on that one. Finally. Yep, boom. All we waited for, what I told you guys, 71, dump right down, right into your green zone. Tesla, as I told you guys, I was waiting on what? 330, 88. I told you start getting a little crazy once that power hour start to roll in. It's gonna get a little crazy.
Palantir drop.
Alright, Tesla. We're gonna hit that 29.
Bro, I'm so mad, Jay. I had freaking 769s at 20 cents. Oh my god.
About to hit my target. 69.50. Oh! Damn! Oh!
Gosh, that's 53 cents. That was $500 right there.
Damn! Oh, right into that green
Dude,
box.
I missed the fill by 2 cents. That's so
Holy.
stupid. I can't, dude. I missed the fill by 2 cents.
Jeez Louise.
2 effing cents.
It's like they
Sounds
knew
like
all,
having a
it's like they knew all my
low
areas.
account is not low.
They
What?
hit. What's that?
Sounds like having a small fucking account. It's fucking bad luck.
Damn, it's like they
No,
knew
it's
all
not
my
bad
target
luck. I mean,
areas.
I'm building it back up. I'm at like 590 right now.
Holy shit.
Oh shit, Oracle! The tornado did not blow you away?
Oh man, bro, this is crazy.
Yo, I was about to call the flying monkeys and find you.
Lucky you got your red Jordans on.
Damn, that's
Wow.
insane. Hit
Yeah, I was about to call your buddy up and I'm like, hey, I think we might have to go to a search party for this guy and look for long hair people.
Shit. Hello?
what I got
Hello?
today?
I took your
Hi,
phone.
Toto.
Yeah, I took your brother's phone.
Now, I was about to call your buddy up and just be like, we might have to do a search party and look for long hair people flying around.
So, oh, we gonna get it.
Oh man, all I could do is fucking laugh, but I'm crying inside right now. I was like, this is how Oracle feels most days.
Hell yeah, motherfucker.
Bro, at one point, I was down on this fucking small port, 76%.
Oh, Jesus.
That was like a couple hours. I would.
I mean, like, I went full port everything, and then I was like, F it. And then, I mean, I'm building, you know, I'm just so slowly slowly growing. I mean, thank God I don't have to fill it, but, Jay's gonna start the small port challenge tomorrow, too. Jay, you better have your ATM in your fucking positions tomorrow.
I'm gonna have to put the new little box in on mine. I'm gonna have to do it tonight.
Now, we're fucking... Now we're gonna go fucking ham tomorrow. Fuck that. Let me hold on. Let me see my schedule for tomorrow.
What I told you guys, green box, right to that area. What I told you, last Friday's low update. Didn't I not tell y'all? What I told you, we was gonna eventually get to that green box. Ooh. Told you. I told you. How did I figure that out, guys? All I did was go to last week's area. Where did we had a strong bounce Friday? Right here. I told you, all we did was just utilize that range's top for a bounce. There you go. Told you it was going to a targeted area. I told you. They always sleeping on my alerts, but I ain't saying nothing no more. I'm gonna play mute in this mother. I ain't saying nothing. I'm gonna let them tell me. Appreciate the boss.
Hey, you did exactly that to her.
Huh? Wait, what'd you say?
I'm trying to... What'd you say?
You did that to her. You didn't tell him about the drop, spy drop.
I'm gonna do sign languages. I ain't gonna say shit. I ain't gonna say nothing out of my voice. I'm
What
gonna
is that language?
do sign language. I'm gonna point down. Ain't saying nothing.
Like, oh, you didn't see my sign language?
That's all I'm gonna do. I'll do the Crips and Blood calls. I'm like, cuckoo. I told y'all where it was going though. I said after this fade, we're gonna pull right down to that green box, right into that demand zone. I told you. But they don't hear me though.
Shit. Caw, 769.
Right to it. Now let's see where we go from here. We finally got that green box. Would have had it earlier, wouldn't have been from the Jordan Queen jumping and bounce right back up. Had to make me wait longer. Alright, let me move this downtrend out of the way. I'm gonna watch this bottoms here. What do we need to get back above from this point? We gotta get back above 71, of course. And up to that 70, 80 level. So 2 levels that we need back on up, and there go your bias. Y'all welcome. Draw a little bit of that bounce real quick. Y'all welcome.
Even in this bounce, though, the call side is not it's not even moving that much anyway.
Yeah. Oh man, no, we still got a lot of room yet. We need to basically regain, of course. But I was telling them now.
No, I'm just saying, like the contract are not moving as fast right now.
Yeah. Even same days are not moving.
Nope. 771 was 25. It's only 26 after this little pop.
Oh, okay.
Which is kind of scary.
Yep. So there go your first initial bounce, guys, right towards one of those psychological target areas. So that was your first little bounce on that one. That's what we was anticipating on that one. Tesla got right back on top of the 3088. Let's see what else we got. Meta still. Yeah, we gotta get back on top of what? 60. What's that? 605 to 607. Nvidia, I'm looking on that one after that. Green box, guys. Nvidia green box still. What I told you guys right here. Watch the green box area. Right down towards the 1672. That's still holding.
Man, AMD didn't even dip down on that little bottom. That's crazy. AMD people said, nope, we're not going low.
That was a nice bounce. Nice bounce, guys. Right to our area. Nice little red to green move. Nice bounce.
Hey Gina, if you're in Google, remember that zone. We might actually see that zone.
All right.
Yeah. Thanks.
Now keep in mind, guys, even though we bouncing off this little target area from this 6950, you gotta keep in mind you still got this top area that we still gotta deal with back up to 71. So in other words, you can still see somewhat of a little range until we fully get back above that, back up towards the 72s. That's gonna be the areas that we definitely need back up. So we want to go from that 71s, climb our way back up to 72s. So we need a strong push. We need some strong bullish volatility. So just because we bounce right here, we can still go below it. Don't get it twisted. We can still go below this area where buyers can still, reap all the benefits down towards these areas back down this way. So that was just one area bounce.
Dude, AMD's failing here a little bit.
Oh, that was beautiful though. Beautiful pullback, beautiful bounce. Great. All right, guys, got about 20 minutes with y'all. I'm gonna be heading out.
All right, just make sure you update your thing tomorrow and do the challenge.
All right, boss, got you.
Fuck that, you're suffering with me. I'm not doing this shit.
Oh wow. Don't put me in there.
Fuck that, dude. I should have fucking crushed it today. So no, you're coming down the shit with me.
I'm gonna make sure I eat bad food tonight so I got the shit.
I mean, the crazy part is, I think all of us and the one who's doing it, we all blew the small port today. So I'm happy. Everyone's at a fair, even ground now. Gosh, that fucking hurts. Oh, just
Time
looking at
it
this.
is 20 minutes till close. All right, guys, just keep these, like I said, watch this level. Even when powwow was, I mean, don't get me wrong, powwow, we can still get a pullback. So just keep it on watch. So just keep it on watch right in this little area, right in this little zone. They can still dip it on down and then eventually bring it back up, but just keep this area on watch. It's gonna be very crucial. Like I said, if you want the upside, we got to get back above 71, 72. Still got a little downtrend still setting up though. Still got a little downtrend still setting up. So don't get too excited just yet. Not yet, not yet.
Who the fuck wants us to go to 770 25? What? I mean 770 25. Yeah. What the fuck? That has to be a fake order. No, it's a legit fucking order. That's crazy.
725. What the hell?
770 25. Someone has like a freaking huge buy order on the back end right now.
772. Oh, okay, okay.
That's crazy.
Watch these bottoms. Good. Yeah, I guess what was on that one. I should have grabbed that other one. I should have did. Yep, because Tesla's still looking a little. Matter of fact, let me see. This is the area I'm still watching on Tesla guys down here. So I still got this little area I'm still keeping on watch. Still watching this key area. Still watching this key area. They're gonna try to trust me. They're gonna try to grab every low they can possibly grab. So just be mindful of that. They're gonna try to grab every possible low in every area around this spot right here. Just keep it on watch. That's why I said it ain't over yet. So just watch.
Hey Jay, where do you see Panther at?
PLTR. Did we pulled what we at now? Did we pull underneath that whatchamacallit that we was watching the whole time? Was that 176? We did pull underneath that one, huh? Oh yeah, we did get this 176 pullback. Let's take a look. What do we need to take out? That 174 for sure. We need to take out 174. So it's almost like a $2 range between 176, 174 with the mid area of 175. Let me we can crack 174, then down to that 70 we go. But watch it 74 to 76 as of now. Let me create this little range right quick because we can't break 76 at the moment. Let me try to create like a little oh shit, put the wrong fucking color on it. Oh, there we go. Alright, top 176. Got this first set of lows at 174, then a low area at 173. But watch the 74s. Cause I mean, don't get me wrong, there's still some more downside. I mean, like I said, they're gonna try to collect up as many lows as possible, especially even still with SPY. Even though we just hit that 69.50, they can still scoop up. I mean, as low as 68s down to the 67s, they can still scoop these down, cause that'll put you back in that range. Down this way, they can still do it. Still a possibility. As far as PLTR, I mean, your strongest bounces were like 173. So watch that level.
I'll see you guys tomorrow. Today was a shit day. It wasn't whatever, but
yeah, we'll reset tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. Remember tomorrow, Jay. Small port only, okay?
Yes, sir. Got you. That'll work.
All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right, boss. Have a good one, man.
Bye.
All right, guys. Let me see. Let me get this PLTR bottoms right here. So you can see right here, Lucky, where the bounces came in aggressive. So between 73, 74. So I can, like I said, watch as we pull back down to 74 to see if those levels gonna hold, and if not, they'll pull back down to 70 because we still got a downtrend on this bad boy because they got to get back above 76 to even save it. So that's why I'm keeping on watch. And then powwow is right around the corner where they can still try to go for like one more heavy pullback on it if they don't get back on top. Alright, so if you can see, luckily we still got like this downtrend setup, like holding for dear life. So let's see.
Gotcha.
Yeah, because in order for us to get that reversal, they got to get above 76. They got to get above 76 for that push right back up towards. Because the main thing that we definitely needed on PLTR was 78 to 80. That was our main thing we definitely needed was 78 to 80. But we didn't lost all of that all the way down to 76, even losing 76. So if they can stay within this area, right where this 200-day moving average is, go for this strong push, then yeah, they can save it. But other than that, after this little pop on up, they can set up another bull trap and then yank them like one more time even harder. Same thing with SPY. SPY can't stay above that 69.50. They're going to try to go right down into an even lower area. So keep everything on watch, guys. Because like I said, it ain't over just yet. Not until we start seeing some green engulfing candles. I mean, just still little, even on the bearish side still. Just keep it on watch. We need some strong pushes. Because SPY, you got to get back above 71, 72. Got to get above those two levels for sure. We need some strong candles, strong buys coming in. Because right now, I mean, even though we got a bounce, the candles are still not strong yet. We need some heavy candles. So the victory ain't hit yet. Not yet. PLTR, we got to get back above 76 to get that push back up to 78. Tesla, nice little bounce off of that 30. Recovery off of 30.88 back up to 32. Yeah, so to me the market is still, it's still weak. It's still weak, but like I said, hopefully these buys they're gonna play off of these key levels down here for a nice push back up. So this could just be the start of the build up. So just like I said, just be patient. Because again, they can still crack underneath 69.50 and still yank down towards that 68, 67. They can still do that. They can still do that. Because what we're going to need going into tomorrow as we crossing over, we're going to need, after this pullback, we're going to need to see a nice reversal. So this could be the start of it. But we'll see. Wait for these buyers. Wait for these buyers. Yep, PLTR definitely need that push off of 75 back through 76. We definitely need a strong push to break us out of this downtrend. So I'm just still keeping everything on watch, guys. I got 13 minutes, so I'm trying to go over everything before I do leave. So like I said, guys, after CPI data comes out, we will see where we go from there. Put it like this. Based off this range, we're more so towards the bottoms than the tops. So we already pulled away from the tops. So that means that you do have clear room to run back up to retest these areas. So that's a kind of a good sign on the long end. Because again, as we're closing on down today, you're more so towards the demand zone versus being towards the upside. So that means that you have way more possibility to reverse up than come back down. So that's the only good thing about that area. About where we at right now. That you're more so towards the demand zone. If you go back a little bit from last week, look where your strongest buyers came in at. Thursday's lows right here, 767. Then Friday's area up here, this right where we at, 659. And then you can see after we bounced off of these levels, look how high we went. Back up towards that 73.41. Then you wind up getting a nice move all the way up to 75. So keep in mind when your 200-day moving average is sitting at, it's all the way up towards roughly 73. So keep in mind, we're underneath the 200. So can you push back up to it? Yeah. But it's going to be adding on with resistance right towards these levels until we get back above the 200-day moving average. So you're going to need a nice, strong reversal and a way to get back on top of that 200-day moving average. So with Tesla's bouncing off the 200. PLTR is still holding its 200. So that's a good thing on that end. 200 is still holding on theirs. SPY just have to make its way back up to that bad boy. Unless they can find a way to get that 200 to yank down, where they can get those indicators to pass through it, then yeah, you can see a nice crossover. So let's just see if buy's going to take advantage towards these bottoms since we are down here. But like I said, we do get a pushback on up. You're going to have some strong resistance right around that 73-ish area. 72.80 to 73. You can take advantage as long as the buyers are stepping in. Like I said, as long as those candles are building up, getting back above 71, 72, Play it up to the VWAP, but keep in mind you're gonna have some strong resistance right up here. So let's see. So I'm gonna keep it on watch with you guys. I'm gonna stay on with you guys to see what's gonna happen. So we need this level first. This area where we fell from, 71, we need that first. Because again, what we want to build is a higher low build. From these bottoms, that's 1. Then get above 72, that's 2. That'll be a higher low. And then after that, we want to go for that nice push right back up towards those areas above the VWAP and the 200. So right here is just a slow build up. First true bottom so far. We just want to start to now build our way back to the upside. You already know what you need on POTR. You need to get back above 176. You already know you need that. What else we got? You got AMD holding up pretty decent. What was our area that we need to get back above for sure? Got a long way to go on that one. 75 to 80. We need that for sure. 80, 480 mark. So because we got to get above the 200-day moving average on that. That's what, 475 AMD. Get above 475. You have room to possibly run up to 480. That's a $5 push. Let's see NVIDIA. Still holding these bottoms. VWAP is all the way right towards my 218.82, almost 219. So you got room to push up toward that area. So that'll give you what? Almost $1.50 push up from 216ish towards 218. That ain't bad. So it looks like, I mean, so what we want to see from these levels that we at with NVIDIA and all of these guys is now the build up. Now that we didn't have the, the sell off, now we want to see can buyers not step in and go for the build back up. Same thing with SPY, build back up. That's what we want to see. Can the buyers play off of these key levels and start to maneuver their way back to the upside? So with NVIDIA, your 200-day is all the way down towards 220, so we know that's going to be resistance. It is a natural resistance. Microsoft, we need the 505. Get us above the 200-day moving average. Above that, where you'll have room to run up towards 206 to 208. We need that. Apple. Key levels. We got to get back in this range again. 306, 307. We definitely need that. Amazon. 273 back on up towards 275 to 276. That'll put you towards the 200-day moving average. And Google. So we just got a lot of building to do. A lot of building to do on these bad boys. Because the goal, guys, if you're on the long side, we gotta reclaim everything that we lost today. From all the way up towards 74.50s, we gotta reclaim everything back up. So we need a strong momentum. Strong momentum to get our way back up. We just want to see a strong rotation back. That's what we need. We need to reclaim everything that we lost. Everything. Now the good thing about it, you're still holding 770s. That's still good. You're still in the 770 brackets. That's still a good thing. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we dipped into the 760s, but as long as you maintain 770, because you already know, you stay in that bracket, then you focus on the price points, 72, 74, 76, 78, and so forth. So as long as that main area holds, good. Stay above 770. Now start to slowly work your way back up. But now if you would have lost 770, then yeah, you would have had a deeper fall back down, because you got to keep in mind, 770 is a natural level, and you're falling back into the 760s. So not only will they be piling in on you at 770s, now they're piling up on you on the 768s, 766 for a harder pull. So right now 770s hold. Now we need to retake this area here. We need to turn this area from resistance to support, and then slowly build our way back up. And as I told you, anytime CPI data comes out, they normally do pullbacks. Normally. They normally go down to low key areas where the risk is less, and they'll have more reward, in a sense. So all we want to see now is power hour going to soon come in. You know, what they're going to do from here. We already recovered this bottoms right here. We just need to maintain and then start to take everything back. That's it. Because it's two different ways this is about to go when CPI come out. Two different ways. So I'll be careful on that. If y'all don't want to swing, I mean, if y'all want to wait till after CPI data come out after 8:30 to see what's, how it's going to set up, then you can go from there. Slowly building though. Slowly building, but still not a lot of buying volume. That's the thing. Still slowly building, but you still got a lot of resistance that we need to take out. You still got to take out this area where you failed. Then after that, you got to take out this area where you failed. Then after that, you got to bypass the VWAP. You got to bypass the 200-day moving average just to get back up towards these top areas. So yeah, still got a slow climb back up. Slow climb. But we'll see what they're gonna do for Power Hour, because you know they tricky on that crap. Cause like I said, Power Hour, they can easily do a quick yank and then a pop. I mean, anything goes to Power Hour. Anything can happen. So just be mindful for the next hour coming up. Be mindful in that. You know what they do, especially 3:30. You know what they like to do. But even all in all, even if they say, for instance, they do go for a hard pullback for Power Hour, all you want to do is just trap these shorts, buy back up, get back above that 69.50, and just keep it rocking and rolling back to the opposite side. But they still got a lot of room and opportunities where they can still utilize this area right here. If push comes to shove, if they do go for a hard little sell-off, watch this key area. How we looking on PLTR? How we looking? PLTR, let me see. How we looking on that one? 75, still right fighting around 75. Yep, even the way PLTR can do a fake out pullback and then buy right back up, they can do anything crazy. I mean, if I was them, I would do it. I mean, if I was a buyer with a big account, I would do it. I'd do a fake out yank, buy back up, reverse it on them, and then that's what I would do. Yep, buying volatility is still horrible. Still horrible. I mean, even the market is like half and half. So just be mindful of that, guys. So I'm just telling you, just be mindful, be careful. Be careful. Just wait on Power Hour to see what takes place. I mean, if we do move up, you know what levels we need up. If we do continue on down, you know what levels we need to take out. So I could see them doing a little fake out pullback, and then like I said, if we do fall into this area of 69 and 67, watch to see if buyer's gonna step back in and retrieve it to try to buy their way right back on top of this 69.50. Because notice, even before I leave, notice the bottoms. Notice if the bodies of the candles have not successfully got through what price point? 69.50. You got a lower shadow, but the body of the candle is getting stuffed where? 69.50. So you know what the buyers are trying to protect right here. So even if you were to get a pullback down, make sure that we maintain 69.50, that we keep trapping these shorts and reversing right back up. All we want to do now that we at these bottoms, we just want to see, can we now create bear traps? Pullback failure, pullback failure. So I'll keep everything on watch, guys. I'll keep everything on watch to see where we go from here. So Lucky, y'all got everything down, like your game plans in motion to see, as we're going into tomorrow, y'all got it down packed. So right about here's what you'll need to reclaim on PLTR. Need to reclaim this area. 76 to 76.50 right here. Need to reclaim that. So be mindful of that level. Right in this area. That's the level that you need to take back. What you don't want to see is a double top. If we go back up, we need to break through it and hold. We don't want to run up, get rejected, and come right back on down. We do not want to see a double top on PLTR. You want to see a continuation push. SPYs, I told you guys, the buys are still weak, still got a downtrend, so just wait to see what's going to take place, because again, I can still see them trying to pull through this level here. All right, guys, I'm about to be heading on out. About to be shutting it down. Let me give everybody love on my Discord. Discord, guys, I will see y'all tomorrow. for the CPI data to see on how the market is going to, react from tomorrow going into Thursday and Friday. So, congratulations on your trades for the day, and we'll reset for tomorrow. So, shout out to my Discord family, man. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Later, Jay.
All right,
Thanks,
man.
Jay. Take
Yes,
care.
ma'am.
Thanks, Emma.
Yes, ma'am. Stay blessed and safe. Sarah, see you tomorrow too, boss. All right, guys. Let me get back to focus and let me go ahead and shut the stream down. I'm about to go ahead. Just keep it on watch. Right now, guys, you are in Power Hour. As Power Hour is taking place, remember, keep it on watch to see what these buyers versus these sellers are going to do. The sellers, the way we're still setting up, sellers can still yank it, can still create a cup and go down right below that 69.50, even lower. Remember, they can still take advantage of this area here. They can still take advantage of this area here. They can still go for roughly a $2 drop, 69 to 67. They still got a lot of room they can still play with in this area. They can still do it. However, the buyers do maintain the 69.50. You gotta get back 71 to 72. You gotta get your way back above that VWAP. Other than that, you're just gonna still sell off all the way to these bottoms. Nah, I was, boss. I mean, okay, this is what I'm gonna do here. If we do so happen to yank back down this like around, like if 330 occurs or something like that, and we do get that sell off that I was anticipating, we come down to these lows. I mean, I'll look for a little lower buying opportunity back down this way. Yeah, if we get down towards the 67 area, get like a little quick sell off, I'll keep it on watch. And then I'll jump in. I'll definitely jump in. Tesla, I'm still waiting on the pull back down. I mean, to see can we get a nice little sell off on that one, back down to like that 29 to 20, almost 28 area, back down to this little zone. If we get a little sell off back down this way, I've been trying to anticipate a little bounce. I'll see. I'll keep it on watch. So yeah, I'm gonna be watching those two specific levels. Siri, Spot me watching this level here, and Tesla I'm gonna be watching this level back down this way because I want to see if they're gonna try to go for a hard pull back down eventually. So I will watch. But right now I'm not gonna hold nothing. I'll wait till after CPI data comes out at 8:30, then go, because if you think about it, tomorrow's Wednesday. So put it like this: if everything goes according to plan, even after CPI data, and let's just say we fall back down here after CPI data, and this level holds, I'll be looking for bottoms to hold, and just to see if we're gonna build our way back on up. And then we continue to build up, I'll hold it. I'll hold it into Thursday. We continue to build back on up, I'll hold it into Friday. As long as my bottoms are holding, and I have a good entry, and we coasting to the upside, I'll play that. I'll play with a Friday contract. I'll do it. Same thing with Tesla. I'll do the same exact thing because I know the potential Tesla, Meta, what they all have, those gap ups. But we'll keep everything on watch to see. So far, the only thing we have in front of us, guys, for today is we still have a downtrend setup for today. Downtrend setup going into tomorrow. That's all you're doing right now. Downtrending. Again, if this level don't hold, we could find our way then to the 67s. It's a possibility. Just being honest. It's a strong possibility. You can fall back into this area. So if anything, guys, I mean, you don't have to swing trade. I would just wait out the CPI data if you want to see if buyers are gonna, wait for that confirmation to see if we're gonna get more buyers to step in, and then go for a possible U-shaped pattern back up for a possible reversal. So if anything, I would just be patient and sit on your hands and wait. So other than that, guys, I'm about to shut it off. I'll be waiting for tomorrow. Again, if they do happen to pull back down hard today, I mean, I'll go for the lows. But if not, I'll wait. I'll wait it out. But other than that, guys, great job. Let me give a shout out and love to everybody, man. You guys did an amazing job today. Incredible job, man. So that's how you trade through the situation. Shout out to my mods. Thank y'all for everything, man. Appreciate y'all for everything. And like I said, guys, all you do. Oops, turn my whole thing off. So what I did was, all I did was take my post-market and pre-market off and connected all my intradays to get a full understanding of, each intraday, kind of connected like a puzzle. So all I did was just do what? Yesterday's setup, all I did, what I told you guys, 74, right? After we had this little sell on off and we bounced back up, what was that area to watch? 74, pullback, 74, pullback, 74, pullback. And you got to keep in mind, we was already around a supply zone. We was already around a resistant like area. So you kind of expected that we was going to get a little pullback. Now, if we would have had a strong push through, that would have been different. But you got to keep in mind, this strong brick wall that's right above your head, 75, 74. Strong brick wall. So even if I minimize it a little bit, look at these tops. Tops. Now, understand the rotation back down. Look at this big range. Look at this big range we got, right? That's why I said if they crack 69.50, look where your true bottoms is, right here, 67 bounce, 67 bounce, 67 bounce. So that's why I told you guys, watch these two specific price points. Even if they get a pullback below 69 and they pull back down to that 67, see if those buyers are going to take advantage between these two price points and buy back up. They did it before. Look right here. You pulled all the way down, right? 67. You bought back up, 69, and you went on that bullish move back to the upside. So let's see. Can we see a rinse and repeat now that we are in this demand zone back into where the buyers can have an advantage to rotate back up? So watch your levels. But great job there, guys. Y'all did an amazing job. I'm going to go ahead and shut it down. We don't have any earnings today, huh? Oh, shit. We got CPI data. Not CPI data. We got SMCI earnings, and we have CRWV earnings. So keep those two on watch. Keep those two on watch to see how the market's going to react off of that as well. But other than that, guys, I'll be shutting it down, waiting for CPI data, see what's going to happen afterwards, and see how we're going to come out of this play. The only thing we have right in front of us, guys, is an inverted cup. From these days connected, inverted cup. You got a dome. You got a dome-like pattern. So what we want to see out of a cup pattern after a pullback is a nice U-shaped pattern. That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. So after this pullback, let me draw it out before I leave. This is what you want to see. So if everything holds after this cup pattern, after these tops already took place, what you want to see is a buy back up and a reversal. That's what you want to see as long as these bottoms hold right around this area, right back on up, and then take out those highs. That's it. That's what you want to see. So other than that, guys, great job. Keep everything on watch, and we'll get it rocking and rolling. So you already know what I'm about to say before we head on out, man. Maximize your reward, minimize your risk. Always put great over greed, and you will succeed every single time. Till then, guys, Aussie, my beautiful queen, you have a blessed one. But like I said, just keep everything on watch. Aussie, even that power wobble, watch everything. Watch these two specific price points, because again, we want to maintain this range, and because the reason why we want to maintain this range is because we don't want to fall through this range. Well, we now have to deal with all of this back down this way. Look all this room you have to fall. If they don't maintain these bottoms, look how much room you have to fall all the way back down to the low 760s. Now you see, that's why we need to maintain this area. So as long as we maintain these two particular price points, maintain this floor, we want to rotate our way back up. Other than that, we crack this level, we can expect a little more downside to come. So sit on your hands, guys, and wait for the market to tell you what it's going to do. Be patient. Y'all got this. So shut it down, guys. Love y'all. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay safe. And I'll see y'all tomorrow for Wild Card Wednesdays. To everybody, peace and love. Holla.
Subscribe for more content.